Hi there, tech explorers. On Mega today, we reveal machines that go beyond imagination. Pure innovation in motion. In a world where every drop of fuel is worth its weight in gold, Rex stands as the champion of efficiency and flexibility in the mining industry. Don't be afraid of narrow lanes or steep climbs, because with a 15.7-foot turning radius and width, and the ability to negotiate gradients of up to 12%, the Rex will get your load where it needs to go with ease. Best of all, it does so economically, traveling up to 24.8 miles with a full load and reducing fuel consumption by 20 to 30%. Its 5-axle, 20-wheel design is not only unique, but can haul up to 160 tons of cargo at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, making the Rex a true truck marathoner. The Cat Model 637K wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The engine of this marvelous machine is fully compliant with all Tier 4 final emission standards and Stage 4 ES emission standards. With its stable and robust splitter twin-wave screening platform, the Track Splitter X2 is an expert for heavy, sticky, and partially uncrushed materials, stones, clay, contaminated landfill soil. Thanks to the trough-shaped design and the tilt angle adjustment, the material stays on the screen deck longer, is cleaned of sticky impurities, and reliably separated into 2 fractions. In addition to producing the finished product, the Splitter X2 is also ideally suited for preparing the material for subsequent processes. Like all the company's machines, the Splitter X2 is characterized by a wide range of adjustment options, as well as clog-free and rewind-free operation. China's XCMG has launched an unmanned electric dump truck that can be both remotely controlled and given free rein, where it will operate in autonomous mode, under the control of artificial intelligence. In remote control mode, the dump truck uses a sensor to send information back to the operator using 5G technology. When switched to full autonomy, control of this vehicle will fall to the artificial intelligence technology, which will determine the destination and plan routes according to the mine's production vehicle. The vehicle's 500 kilowatt-hour battery, which traditionally can be recharged within 8 to 10 hours, or replaced with another in just 6 minutes to ensure uninterrupted operation. The P&H 4800 XPC is a monster among mining machines. This electric rope shovel handles a staggering 135-ton payload, easily moving heavy ore like copper and iron. Built for extreme duty cycles, it pairs brute strength with advanced systems to maximize output in the harshest excavation zones. Bacchus has revolutionized the windrow turning process by offering machines that not only impress with their stylish design, but also provide high efficiency in the treatment of organic waste. As you can see, such an innovative tedder promotes rapid decomposition of material in piles, achieving the aerobic composting process in just 3 weeks. Equipped with advanced homogenization and oxygenation technologies, the machinery creates the conditions for the production of high-quality organic fertilizer that contributes to improving microbial composition and soil health. Thus, Bacchus guarantees not only reliability and economy, but also environmental sustainability in every process. The Cat D11 dozer is a colossus in the world of construction equipment, capable of moving up to 230,000 pounds of grass in one pass. With an 850 horsepower engine and a 24-foot blade width, this bulldozer is unrivaled in handling the most challenging tasks. The innovative Cat control system makes its operation intuitive and precise, minimizing operator effort and training time. This monster is perfect for large-scale groundwork and complex mining operations. BIS road trains are highly effective vehicles specifically built for quarry operations. The process begins with loading materials onto the platform, after which the machine utilizes its powerful engines and hydraulic system to move steadily over rugged terrain. The innovative body and frame design ensures that the load is evenly distributed. The Fortescue hydrogen truck is more than a vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of transportation. With fuel cells delivering up to 500 miles of range emission-free, its electric motor provides the torque needed to handle heavy loads effortlessly. Perfect for long-haul trips with zero environmental impact. When it's time for some rock and roll on a construction site, Echidna from Stavroplast KL picks up a guitar, circular saw, and starts his rock-cutting show. This instrument is simply made for heavy rock compositions. It turns the toughest rock into manageable blocks ready for further processing. The Echidna's powerful blades penetrate into the heart of the rock, leaving only neatly spliced pieces behind. Want to see how it works? Just press play and enjoy. The Caterpillar 826K is a landfill compactor built with purpose. Backed by more than 3 decades of engineering expertise, it delivers unbeatable reliability, operator comfort, and job site efficiency. From productivity to safety, it checks all the boxes, helping landfill operations run cleaner, smoother, and smarter. The RT14R from Terramac has been designed to work on sensitive and confined job sites thanks to its full 360-degree rotation. With this machine, you can easily unload at any angle and then do it again and again with maximum efficiency. The 2-speed hydrostatic transmission allows this massive tracked hauler to outperform its competitors while maintaining maximum safety and comfort. Unload material right where you want it and easily get back in by turning 360 degrees. By the way, the manufacturer has implemented a standard ISO joystick control with unloading controls, which provides increased maneuverability. It is this factor that makes driving the RT14R a dream. The machine easily moves and unloads 14 tons of materials or equipment at any angle. The UDS-211 tracked universal finishing machine is suitable for precise finishing excavations in difficult terrain. It has excellent stability and overcomes absolutely any uneven terrain. Thanks to the additional attachments, the large-sized machine can be used in a wide range of applications, such as construction sites, quarries, or steel mills. Among the advantages, I can't help but mention the versatility and the long working range of up to 47.9 feet. This specialty telescopic excavator can perform deep undercutting up to 90 degrees, and the tool itself can safely be rotated the full 360 degrees. The machine prides itself on its unique performance and finishing excavations. In steel mills where the heat is mind-boggling, the CAT 973 track loader is a hero. This machine is specially designed to work in extreme conditions where white-hot slag becomes a daily routine. Watch as the CAT 973 calmly loads, spreads, and unloads hot stuff like it's just sand on the beach. Not a drop of sweat. This is not just a loader, but a high-performance robot designed to withstand the tests of fire and heat. Need a road right here and now? Fawn Trackway not only heard this challenge, but also offered the perfect solution: the Roadway Kit. With this kit, you can turn any dirt road into a sturdy artery capable of handling heavy machinery in hours. Composed of durable aluminum panels, it is easy to lay down and just as easy to dismantle, leaving no trace on the landscape. Perfect for quick response in emergencies or military needs. Who said good roads take years to build? Fawn Trackway proves otherwise. The Techni-Cairo Slag Taurus slag carrier is the embodiment of strength and reliability. Equipped with a cat swivel bearing and a patented safety system, this monster reliably handles any task. You can choose a platform or U-frame design depending on your needs. Forget about high operating costs. This slag carrier offers unmatched low life cycle costs. Suitable for the most challenging conditions, the Slag Taurus will serve faithfully for a long time. When a Hitachi ZX225 model USRLC3 excavator went to work on the construction site of a future underground car park in the center of Paris, it was quite a show. The machine doesn't just dig, it's as if it's performing a ballet in a confined space. With its swing arm capable of maneuvering with incredible precision, the Hitachi excavator demonstrates how you can work skillfully and efficiently even in the most challenging conditions. Such a sight makes you forget about the everyday hustle and bustle, and for a moment immerse yourself in the world of highly professional construction equipment. This was an awesome project to not only shoot, but to watch from a distance. This machine is simply amazing. We can safely say that we see the largest single pass trencher in the world. The MT4500 has 4,500 horsepower and over 1,500,000 nanometers of torque. No other trenching machine has this much power and can dig trenches up to 160 feet. DeWind is actually building another MT4500 right now, and it is expected to be completed in late 2023. It's clear from the video that a trench 70 feet deep was dug and a special mixture was added to the soil to create a strong wall below the surface. Experience the power and versatility of the Krone Crane's Tire Handler SWL, a tire handler that turns a laborious task into a simple operation. With the ability to safely handle large loads, this manipulator not only eases the lifting and moving of heavy tires, but also significantly speeds up the process. Thanks to its high-strength construction and precise control systems, the tire handler ensures that every tire is moved with maximum accuracy and safety. Think of it as your reliable assistant in the garage or warehouse capable of so much. The CAT 630 hydraulic mining excavator is a favorite of the company's customers, and for good reason, we have to admit. It delivers the highest engine power in its class, as well as the mobility and flexibility needed for a 300-ton machine to deliver the performance expected and reliably required. In fact, the 630 is the only excavator in its class with two engines that are Tier 4 final compliant, eliminating the need for diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, and saving time and money in maintenance. Want to know how to cut I-beam steel and pipe efficiently? The CAT S3070 shears are ideal for hydraulic excavators weighing 30 to 45 tons. With a 7-ton weight capacity, 40-inch jaw depth, and 32-inch opening width, these shears can handle the roughest materials, steel plates, and pipes with high efficiency. With exceptional durability and easy maintenance, the CAT S3070 is an indispensable tool in various scrap metal and steel recycling facilities. And in this video, we can clearly see the cutting power of the machine. When some company specializes in various types of land, road, and hydraulic engineering works, as well as soil surveys and foundation pile testing, you have to come up with new variants of technical helpers. Apparently, this is why Brookside has created its 3-pile 5 with swing axles, which has a load capacity of 95 tons. The load-bearing capacity of these piles is tested with just such an impressive machine, specially designed and built for this purpose. So no complex operations will now be a hindrance for the company in carrying out the work. Bell Equipment demonstrated its 60-ton dump truck model B60E, capable of transporting large volumes of material in all weather conditions. The machine has become a concept car that has proven successful because of its all-weather suitability. This model was developed after the company identified a growing need among contractors using frame trucks with a payload of up to 60 tons. In response, it pursued the concept of a two-axle dump truck, but with front axle drive and independent front and rear chassis. The manufacturer has indeed come up with a unique machine configuration, 4x4 on an articulated coupling, which makes it possible to keep all 4 drive wheels on the ground and fully utilize the available traction. Big Float is an innovative and unique pontoon-tracked undercarriage that turns your excavator into an amphibious machine. Some call it a swamp walker or a floating excavator. It's all the same thing. Thanks to the Rimu Pontoon undercarriage, your excavator can work in the toughest conditions. In soft ground or shallow water, floating excavators on pontoon chassis are often the most efficient machines. Large floats can also be driven on hard ground, and with additional equipment, they can operate safely in open water. Canadian company K-Tech has presented a concept of a new model of scraper with dimensions that allow transporting the equipment by road without special permission. And the fact that this scraper is presented in close contact with a 38-ton tractor from Rockback makes this machine incredibly productive and efficient in work. This powerful version of the machine provides better fuel economy, lower emissions, increased safety, and greater durability. And this scraper tractor works even in the toughest conditions. The SB4504 Airport Sweeper is the latest generation of VAMOS equipment that creates a whole new level of efficiency in snow removal. The combination of sweeper, plow, and blower gives maximum productivity even when operating at speeds above 37 miles per hour. The sweeper and blower features a quick-release plow and brush transport position for easy storage at any maintenance facility. The SB4504 Trailed Sweeper is a combination of futuristic design and innovative solutions. Czech company Tatra has revealed its promising model, a truck with a fuel cell propulsion system. With a gross vehicle weight of 45 tons, the Force eDrive has traction electric motors with a combined output of 480 kilowatts, 653 horsepower, and 2,300 newton meters. All this torque is distributed between the wheels of the 3 rear axles. The engines are powered by a unit with fuel cells. In them, there is an electrochemical reaction of hydrogen with air, or rather with oxygen, resulting in the production of electricity, and as a side effect, water is formed. Thus, the Force eDrive's only exhaust is water vapor. The new generation of Dynapack rollers demonstrate higher maneuverability and productivity. The new model CA30 is equipped with the most modern solutions, which ensures maximum operational safety and fuel economy. The powerful Dynapack roller is equipped with a unique overcompaction alarm system, which helps to prevent premature breakdowns. The new generation machine is equipped with a transverse engine, which is used in similar class machines. This type of engine provides excellent availability of components and full comfort of service maintenance. KGHM Zanum has completed another export delivery of a powerful loader, LKP 0703. The machine was ordered by a contractor from Germany and is designed to meet all its needs. Firstly, the loader is equipped with a remote control system, which allows performance tasks even in the most difficult conditions of modern mines. It is also the first remote-controlled machine delivered to a mine and is operating in the demanding and limited German market. Here is the E-Dumper from E-Mining AG, the world's largest electric dump truck. With its enormous load capacity and fully electric engine, this giant doesn't just transport loads, it redefines heavy machinery. Imagine, it can carry up to 65 tons of cargo and work continuously thanks to a regenerative braking system that charges the battery during descent. Eco-friendly and powerful, the E-Dumper shows that sustainable technology and heavy industry are a perfect match. Discover a new era of sieving with the Eggersman Terra Select T60, the latest track seed seeder equipped with an advanced version of the sieving drum. And guess what? This cool multi-master is sure to revolutionize your process thanks to its versatility. It can integrate not only the high-performance Terra Select drums, but also any other 822-foot drums available on the market. With it, you not only get flexibility in equipment selection, but also the highest operating efficiency thanks to extra-long conveyor belts, a 7.09 cubic foot capacity hopper, and the ability to easily exchange different components via the quick change system. You see a telehandler, a symbol of power and reliability created for those who are looking for more than just equipment, but a reliable work assistant. With its unique ability to handle biomass and dispense of food waste effortlessly, the Cenoboggan 340G stands out as a master of its own craft. Its special design with automatic transmission and chopping optimized control system makes every task more efficient. In addition to its powerful lifting capacity, this loader can work on narrow ledges and difficult gradients, offering performance that optimizes processes and increases efficiency at every stage. Meet the Caterpillar 336 DLN, a 200C submersible excavator that is guaranteed to make your excavations a thing of the past. This powerful excavator is not only adept at handling heavy materials on land, but also conquers underwater depths with incredible ease. Its ability to work in water opened up new horizons for construction and reclamation. It's not every day you see a machine like this one turn an aquatic environment into its own worksite, is it? Looking for a machine that can easily handle the challenges of challenging construction sites? The K-Tech 1233 is your choice. This economical scraper is designed for maximum productivity in even the toughest conditions, with a 33 cubic yard payload capacity and unmatched maneuverability. Its unique solid welded rigid frame ensures durability and reliability. No matter how limited your job site space is, thanks to its compact size and low ground pressure, the 1233 from K-Tech gets the job done efficiently, making excavation not only easier but also more economical. The Arex M9300 stands as a fierce competitor in the machinery world, equipped with powerful shears designed for cutting scrap. Its 16.8-ton jaws slice through metal effortlessly, transforming bulky structures into tidy pieces. The performance is mesmerizing, showcasing remarkable efficiency that exemplifies industrial artistry. Who says excavators have to be boring? At home exhibition Menzie Muck 2024 will present not just a machine, but a true multi-terrain performer. Able to adapt to any terrain thanks to its unique articulated design, the Menzie Muck turns ordinary digging into a real show. Expect to see him dancing on slopes and juggling buckets like a pro. With his help, laying pipes or digging a foundation on uneven terrain is as easy as lifting a cup of coffee. The Kaiser S8 Allroad is a truly unique walking excavator that defines a new performance class of such mobile machines: robust, maneuverable, and highly efficient. With maximum adjustability, the undercarriage provides the proven high stability that is the hallmark of all Kaiser mobile walking excavators. Entirely new in this weight category is the optional Rotoline system. The S8 Allroad technology is based on the latest S12 generation and complements perfectly the Kaiser range. The Maston Brioc 4020 drainage plow is the largest investment ever made by Farm Services Limited in its 75-year history, and it represents the future of the company. It is one of the unique and modern drainage machines in Europe. It is custom built to customer specifications and weighs 32 tons on a 31.5-inch wide, 21-foot-long tracks. The machine installs plastic drainage pipes with diameters of 2.3, 3.15, 3.9, and 6.3 inches to a depth of 71 inches. The technique has a Volvo Penta TAD 1372VE fourth-stage diesel engine rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. The Vermeer TR626 trommel screen transforms mountains of waste into useful materials in minutes. This model is equipped with an advanced sorting mechanism that ensures fast and accurate filtration of various materials, from soil to construction debris. Designed with durability and performance in mind, the TR626 offers high productivity and reliability, making it indispensable equipment for eco-friendly recycling. Self-propelled mobile concrete mixing plant with a 4,850 liters drum equipped with modern 4 sensors electronic scales, easy to handle and high precision system for the production of the required mix. All this is about the new CarMix 3500 TC. This machine is equipped with a new comfortable cabin, which can guarantee safe operation and increase visibility for the operator. In addition, the 3500 TC is equipped with ProMix technology, which allows analyzing the composition of the mix, slump, volume, temperature, humidity, and an indication of the readiness of the mix itself. The Menzi Muck all-terrain excavator is a marvel of adaptive engineering. Its spider-like geometry gives it unmatched stability on extreme slopes, up to 45 degrees, by independently adjusting the height and angle of each leg. In this setup, it's equipped with a hydraulic snowplow, transforming it into a mountain road clearing powerhouse. The weatherproof cab, rugged chassis, and fully articulated outriggers allow it to operate reliably in harsh winter conditions. Add to that its precise hydraulic controls and agile maneuverability, and you have a machine that doesn't just handle snow, it thrives where others can't even reach. Sani Global has created the SCE 800TB, all-electric telescopic boom crawler crane with a lifting capacity of 80 tons. It was based on the company's previous version of the crane, with Danfoss technology in the electric version, which is now available through a series order for export to the European market. The benefits include reduced noise for crane operators on job sites. This model features an all-electric system with permanent magnet synchronous motor technology and an inverter supplied by Danfoss Power Solutions with a D1P hydraulic pump. The new crane boasts high performance and high reliability. The technique adapts perfectly to a dirty construction site and is an efficient end to all types of lifting work. And now here is the 990F excavator from the same Lu Gong company. It is a large and rugged machine with high productivity, reliability, safety, and operator comfort. With a high digging force of 496 kilonewtons, this new machine easily outperforms any competing machine in its class. The 990F is designed to maximize uptime shift after shift. With durability built into the heart of the machine, the 990F works even harder and longer on the toughest job sites. The new sealed cab protects against dust, noise, and dirt, while automatic climate control surrounds you with fresh, filtered air for cooling or heating depending on the environment. The Taurus Praetorian is the world's first heavy-duty 4x4 four-wheel drive heavy-duty bus. The Taurus is designed to transport personnel and equipment in harsh environments and locations where public roads are not available. Due to the use of the bus in harsh weather and road conditions, proven quality parts and components are used in production, from Michelin tires and Line-X ballistic coating to MAN engines and chassis. This bulldozer excels at precision excavation, leaving construction sites perfectly prepped for the next phase. Its immense power makes it more than capable of tackling earth moving and any other challenge that comes its way. The CAT AD63 underground dump truck offers high productivity, reduced costs, and increased efficiency. With a rugged design, the hauler can withstand the rigors of the job site. It has an increased payload of 5% and increased engine torque. This machine is equipped with a C27 engine that meets all stage VEC emission standards, which reduces emissions and ventilation costs. Robust construction and simplified maintenance ensure longer life and lower operating expenses to maximize your return on investment. Camrock's EK140 chain cutter is ideal for excavators from 2 to 50 tons when milling rock with compressive strengths up to 100 megapascal. The machine demonstrates high efficiency in conditions where drilling and blasting is not possible for medium hard rock with a compressive strength of 15 to 60 megapascal. The machine is well suited for narrow trenches from 480 millimeters wide with an optimal wall profile. The continuous chain, which is driven by drums with cutters, automatically removes the shredded material from the space between them. Digging a trench with a minimum width saves on unnecessary transportation expenses to remove the shredded fraction and reduces the price of the bulk material. And the use of EK series products reduces wear on the excavator's slewing gear. The Brachy P22B seeder is suitable for seeding on both flat and sloping areas. It is a fully mechanized seeder that can perform all stages of planting, working on previously unimplanted areas to establish a new forest. This model is a reliable machine that allows you to work in both implementation and reforestation plots. Optionally, the Brachy P22B head can be fitted with irrigation and fertilizer systems. Irrigation is carried out with water or a water-based gel applied to the soil around the seeding during planting. Fertilizer can be applied in different ways, depending on the option selected. The P22 model uses a rotator and double linkage to position the seeders in the correct seeding position and to ensure that both seeders are in contact with the ground. The double linkage allows the seeders to follow the ground contour without the need for operator input. Maston Brook's unrivaled range includes groundbreaking innovations that deliver efficient, reliable, and cost-effective performance in various subsurface drainage applications, soil types, and groundwater levels. Their new 4020 model, for example, was developed in response to global demand for a heavy-duty chain trencher that incorporates the latest technology for installation on drainage slopes with significantly greater efficiency and repeatability. Maximizing operator comfort and safety and staying ahead of stricter environmental standards are the main principles the manufacturer followed when creating the Model 4020 drainage plow. By the way, it runs plastic drainage pipes of varying diameters to a depth of 70 inches, and it has a Volvo Penta 4th-stage diesel engine, rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. When it comes to drainage work, the Maston Brook 2015 knows no equal. This trencher is equipped with a Cummins QSB 4.5 engine with 160 horsepower, allowing it to easily handle the toughest tasks. With a digging depth of up to 5 feet and a trench width of up to 18 inches, it's perfect for large draining projects. Besides power, the Maston Brook 2015 offers advanced hydraulics and precise control with integrated GPS navigation, ensuring every trench is perfectly aligned. Operator comfort is provided by a self-leveling cabin, and the robust chassis promises long service even in the harshest conditions. Erickson Air Crane of Oregon, one of the leading U.S. manufacturers of specialized equipment, has introduced an upgraded S64 helicopter crane. Its main feature is the presence of a grapple grip. According to the designer's idea, the novelty is needed when liquidating the consequences of major emergencies and natural disasters. Importantly, the capabilities of the matrix detection and evasion system can allow the S64 to extinguish fires with water droplets at night or in poor visibility conditions, for example, when the pilot's vision is obscured by smoke. In addition, an autonomous S64 could also be useful for military resupply missions or for lifting long-line cargo. The Bergman Model 2040 R4-ton dump truck with swivel body is extremely robust, economical, and has excellent off-road handling. The floating rear axle ensures constant contact with the ground, making it extremely maneuverable and stable. The driver is always fully aware of the condition of his Bergman tipper. If, for example, there is a risk of tipping on its side, the driver is warned in advance. This creates a much higher level of safety than in a conventional vehicle with floating suspension in the center section. Crocklift continues to impress with its innovative approach to machine design. As a great alternative to traditional wheels, their amphibious trailers are equipped with tracks, allowing them to maneuver with ease both on land and in water. Watching these machines dive into the water to pick up a small vessel is truly an impressive sight. And you know, we see not just technology, but a real masterpiece of engineering, created to solve unique problems in extreme conditions. Mounted on the boom of a cat excavator, the Neroc hydraulic grab shears handle massive tires like they're tossing pillows. With a powerful steel grip, instant compression, and smooth high-speed motion, they lift and maneuver heavy loads effortlessly. No manual labor, just precise controlled strength. The live bottom is a cutting-edge tipper trailer that unloads materials without the need to lift the body. Instead of the typical tilting mechanism, it utilizes a conveyor belt at the trailer's base, which smoothly pushes the load, such as sand, gravel, or asphalt, toward the rear discharge opening. The operator controls the rate of material flow, ensuring consistent and even unloading. Crawler crane with lattice boom, Minotowik Model 18,000, has a lifting capacity of 750 tons. Thanks to its simple assembly and self-assembly capability, a mobile crane with a small lifting capacity is sufficient when assembling the crane. A large selection of maneuvering and fixed jibs, sections, and boom heads allows you to solve many problems in modern construction. Several variants of counterweights provide an opportunity to develop low pressure on the base, thereby ensuring movement with a load on the hook on unpaved sites. The Kaiser S2 4x4 Cross, often called the Spider Excavator, is an engineering marvel capable of operating in the most extreme conditions. This machine has a unique ability to move on all four wheels, with each wheel independently adjusting to the terrain, providing stability and maneuverability comparable to a spider's movements. With a maximum digging depth of up to 15 feet and a cutting width of up to 6 feet, the Kaiser S2 is not only powerful, but also an extremely adaptive tool for any groundwork. Linebacker Quad from Jarrah Industries, a true iron monster on 4 tracks. This innovative machine is designed with every detail in mind for maximum maneuverability and off-road capability. Thanks to new technology where each wheel is equipped with a separate track, the Linebacker Quad can easily overcome the most difficult obstacles. With powerful attachments, this vehicle machine can handle any task on your path. From construction to logging, the Linebacker Quad makes the impossible possible. The SureStrike SS150 is the most popular and dynamic hammer in the SS series product line, producing a staggering 50,000 pounds of impact force in a single blow. Built for heavy-duty applications, this unit is one of the most versatile attachments you'll find in this class of excavator lineup. Utilizing an incredible 8+-inch diameter impact pin gives you the confidence to tackle the toughest projects while providing one of the longest life expectancies of any hydraulic breaker in its class. DT30PM Vityaz is a 2-link tracked all-terrain vehicle with armored protection of the crew compartment. This vehicle is designed for transportation of personnel, military, and technical equipment, transportation of military equipment in particularly difficult road and climatic conditions without any preliminary reconnaissance, and engineering equipment of routes, as well as a base for installation of weapons. The power plant of the vehicle is located on the first link behind the cab. The engine is a 12-cylinder multi-fuel B46 diesel engine. From the engine, the torque is transmitted via a cardan shaft to the hydromechanical transmission, and then to the bevel and onboard gearboxes and drive wheels of both links. Canada's Specialized Search and Rescue SAR teams regularly risk their lives by relying on aircraft to overcome serious challenges in hazardous weather and dangerous terrain. The demands on Canadian SAR aircraft are well documented, from challenging mountain contour searches, storms in the Arctic and North Atlantic, to extreme temperatures, icing, and precipitation. The C-295, built by Airbus and selected for the National Aircraft Search and Rescue Program, is ideally suited for those missions. This video is an exclusive inside and outside tour of the latest generation of the versatile aircraft that Canada recently welcomed to its fleet. You don't see dump trucks like this every day. The ETF D4 tackles rough terrain with style. Its all-wheel drive, four-wheel steering, and advanced suspension give it superior handling and ride comfort. The animated breakdown shows exactly how this quarry truck redefines off-road capability. Smooth, powerful, and brilliantly engineered. Meet the Bower Cutter from Bodum Bow. This is not just equipment, it is a revolutionary solution for any earthwork. Designed to overcome the toughest challenges, it can pass through the hardest rocks with surprising ease and precision. Its cutting system is configured to achieve maximum performance while minimizing wear. We can confidently say that the Bower Cutter is a masterpiece of engineering, offering not only high efficiency but also remarkable resource savings at every stage of work. Mansinen is today a world leader in the development of energy-efficient material handling machines and has been since 2006. For the Mansinen 300, the new generation HybriLift energy recovery system has been developed and patented. This board handler has definitely broken all previous world records with its capabilities and dimensions. This hydraulic monster can lift a fully loaded 40-foot sea container weighing almost 31 tons and move it with its huge arm up to 157 feet in one fell swoop without moving. The machine was developed specifically for loading and unloading from Panamax-class ships. Picture this. Excavators scoop up tons of soil, rocks, and construction debris into specialized tracked dump trucks with turntables. The T14R's secret is its ability to rotate 360 degrees, allowing it to unload the contents precisely where needed, even in hard-to-reach areas. The process is simple. The excavator fills the truck, the T14R rotates, maneuvers around obstacles, and dumps the load at the correct location. The Mansinen 200ER is an excavator that could easily be the star of any construction reality show. Watch as this heavyweight pulls wooden planks out of the water with the equanimity of a Navy SEAL and the precision of a sushi chef. He doesn't just move them to dry land, he does it with such style that even the bars seem amazed. Get your imagination going, because with the Mansinen 200ER, woodworking has never been so entertaining and easy. With the Hitachi Zaxis 130, any project on water or in swampy terrain gains new life. The amphibious excavator equipped with a floating installation is ready to take on the most demanding conditions. With a power of 95 horsepower and maximum digging depth of 19.7 feet, it is ideal for constructing water barriers, cleaning rivers, or laying communications in hard-to-reach places. Wherever you start work, the Hitachi Zaxis 130 guarantees flawless task execution, exceeding expectations. At the 2015 Customer Days at the Liber plant in Ingen, Germany, an impressive arsenal of new crawler cranes was presented. Among the stars of the show were the LR 11350, LTR 1060, LR 1600-2, and LTR 1220. These cranes are true giants in their class, capable of carrying out the most complex and extensive lifting jobs. For example, the LR 11350, one of the most powerful cranes in the world, can lift loads weighing up to 1,350 tons. From the compact but powerful LTR 1060, designed for work in tight environments, to the LR 1600-2, optimized for heavy loads in the wind industry, each model demonstrates the innovative technology and engineering excellence you expect from Liber. Redefining the dump truck category market, Renault is once again setting a new standard by enhancing the legendary speed and power of the Panther T14R and adding a host of impressive new features to increase uptime and operator productivity. With a new version of the large-tracked rotating dump truck, their new 29,100-pound capacity rotating rubber track machine allows contractors to work in hard-to-reach, sensitive areas where other vehicles cannot access. The T14R's overall design provides superior visibility with unrestricted views from the cab, increasing the safety of operators and other workers on the job site. The XL side-loading trailer features a 37-foot-long tub designed for a water volume of 23 cubic yards and a free volume of 33 cubic yards for efficient aggregate hauling. The tub tilts to either side to prevent tipping. Rely on the XL's rugged side tipper with a market-leading 2-year structural warranty. The trailer features 6 lights on each side, rubber LED lights, and dual-intensity center lights. In Tucson, Arizona, an impressive demolition of an old bridge is taking place, carried out by huge tracked vehicles with hydraulic shears. This process not only demonstrates the power of modern construction equipment, but also highlights the complexity and importance of their work in preparing the site for the new bridge. Let's face it, friends, watching massive machines carefully and systematically dismantle a structure is mesmerizing and evocative of the eternal cycle of destruction and creation, making it ideal for understanding the scale and significance of engineering and construction projects. I know exactly what you're about to do. You're about to discover the powerful giant machines of AccuCut Concrete Services, equipped with an impressive 91-inch diamond blade. It's all about the specialized equipment, complete with a patented skid steer saw that was used to meticulously cut the Pinellas Bayway Bridge in Florida. And one thing is for sure, Giant's performance and precision allow the most demanding jobs to be completed with unparalleled accuracy and efficiency, demonstrating the true capabilities of modern construction technology. Have you ever heard of moving trees using the dry suction method? If not, then look closely. Just 2 companies were tasked with digging up an adult tree in time for the Christmas season using a dry suction excavator provided by Ox Equipment and operated by Super Sucker. As a result of the fruitful work, the tree was successfully trimmed and transported to a new location and then safely replanted at another site where it is still thriving. The work process is, I must admit, very exciting. The king of all grapples has arrived at his seat in a big way, so you can feel free to evaluate the wheel loader attachment from Hymac. This powerful piece of equipment is made in Australia and is designed for the toughest conditions. Combining 2.6-inch heavy-duty wheel loader power rake rods with a reinforced unique gripper, your wheel loader will never be more efficient and productive. Grab, sift, and rake virtually anything with this versatile wheel loader attachment. The WR is equipped with a powerful milling and mixing rotor, as well as a state-of-the-art injection system. Using the milling and mixing rotor, the cold recycler mills perfectly the asphalt pavement in one pass, crushes it, adds binders and water through precise dosage, and then thoroughly mixes the resulting mixture. This machine definitely offers the right solution for all soil stabilization and cold recycling tasks. How would you feel about turning fall cleaning from a hassle to a pleasure? Meet not just a new leaf vacuum, but your own personal fall wizard. Attached to the Titan chassis and operated from the right side, it gives you full control and lets you see every leaf picked up like it's in slow motion. This autonomous hero destroys mountains of leaves with ease, turning cleanup into a game where you're the undefeated champion. Imagine your yard coming to life free of the fall cover thanks to the power of the machine. Welcome to Detroit Metropolitan Wayne County Airport in Romulus, Michigan, where the Gomaco GP4 slip-form paver is in action. This powerful machine turns the process of laying concrete into true art. Equipped with advanced technologies and incredible precision, the GP4 can lay concrete surfaces up to 40 feet wide. Imagine watching this giant methodically and flawlessly create perfect runways, paths, and other important airport elements. Indeed, the Movax SG is a true wizard in the world of pile driving. This powerful pile driver is ready to transform your job site with unprecedented precision and speed. The Movax SG is equipped with unique control technology that allows the operator to manipulate the piles with surgical precision while minimizing vibration and noise. You can install or remove piles in even the most inaccessible areas without additional equipment. To think it's just one machine that takes care of all the hard work. This low-frame trailer is engineered to meet the needs of any delivery. With its telescopic frame, it adjusts effortlessly to the length of the road, while the extendable sections widen the platform, ensuring a perfect fit for even the largest structures. Clever Malacot transforms the transport of Volvo machinery into an impressive display of mechanical power. With a multi-wheeled platform and flawless coordination, the journey to its destination unfolds with remarkable smoothness. The new 995 FDM proves once again that Lugong is focused on heavy-duty mining, quarrying, and demolition applications where cost per ton, reliability, operator safety, and comfort are key factors. The model features 3 operating modes: Eco, Standard, and Power. The 10 engine speeds allow the operator to balance power and efficiency to suit the requirements of the application. The 995 FDM also features an advanced adjustable electro-hydraulic system. This equipment has advanced functionality, including the ability to float the boom. The engine is an 18.1-liter, 447-kilowatt Perkins engine that delivers best-in-class breakout force at low RPM and high torque. The complex is designed for resistance butt welding of rails with cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. The base of this complex is a Volvo car chassis, which is equipped with a railroad track with bogies that provide movement on the railroad track, driven by the friction of car wheels on rails with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping station, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment. Meet the new, innovative XXL manure mixer from Holzel. This large, long-legged machine distributes the material evenly in the fermenter. Powerful agitators on extremely movable arms with a reach of up to 122 feet and a range of 370 degrees allow efficient mixing of the mass even under difficult conditions. Floating layers, raw stock, or sinking layers are mixed quickly and thoroughly. Small spaces don't stop you either. Even small openings can be passed through with the agitator. The Dutchman 30-degree tapered tree shovel, available in models from 330 to 600, model 420 is shown in the video, is ideal for digging up trees with tap roots or in sandy soil. The shovel is almost completely enclosed at the bottom, minimizing soil loss. However, due to the pointed shape, the resulting root clods are less stable and balanced. It is the ideal compact shovel for small to medium-sized loaders. This unit digs from 34 inches to 20 inches. The weight of the inner frame is approximately 1,450 pounds. The Matterhorn Gotthard Bahn vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Furka Tunnel, 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van, which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is required. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people in one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicles, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. The Manitou model MLTX 961 forklift has a lift height of 29.5 feet and a maximum lift capacity of 6 tons. With a 141 horsepower engine, an M-Vario Plus transmission, the machine offers even more comfort, productivity, and cost efficiency. For your comfort, the machine comes standard with an ultra-quiet new AG XL cab, easy access, automatic parking brake, cup holder, full storage compartments, and optional adaptive air suspension. This forklift is equipped with an air pre-filter and an auto-reserve fan. These features are perfectly adapted to dusty environments. The 200-liter per minute pump and optional intelligent hydraulics package meet customer needs in terms of performance in agriculture and agro-industry. Have you ever wondered how huge ships end up on land? The Marine Travel Lift A20C at De Haas Shipyard BV in Rotterdam, Netherlands makes it easy. With its 820-ton lifting capacity and 49-foot lift height, this monster can lift the largest ships like children's toys. What about its 82-foot length and powerful engine that make this hoist a true master of maneuvers? The hydraulic control system ensures precise and smooth movements to avoid even the slightest damage. This video shows Pollock's new 12-line ESS modular platform ESS trailer used in a 2x4x8 beam configuration with beams. You can see how well the trailer behaves on the road and how its features can be used to improve your operation. And it's all thanks to ESS, an electronic steering system that will allow you to steer all axles at the same time. It is designed to provide the optimum axle steering angle according to the length or width of the trailer. The steering can be remotely controlled to increase the steering angle on tight corners or on the ground. Imagine a machine that can meet any challenge on the road to cleanliness. The Super 2000 on a Mercedes Actros chassis is just such a hero. This machine is a true giant in the world of cleaning. What makes it so special? For starters, it can clean pipes that other machines don't even dare to touch, extract contaminants from great depths and mill pipes. The Super 2000 utilizes a water recycling system that not only saves resources, but also makes the cleaning process more efficient. Water that has been cleaned from sludge in the tank returns to play, providing powerful and continuous cleaning. And with the telescopic boom reaching the hardest to reach places, there's no task it will back down to. So if you ask, can the cleaning process be made even more productive? With the Super 2000, the answer is unequivocally yes. This is XCMG's new generation K-Series powerful skid steer loader. The new supercharged cab with more space and optimized ergonomic design enhance operator safety and comfort in operation. The 2-speed switching and ultra-high flow output realize energy saving and high efficiency. The machine is equipped with highly adaptive design and various tree planting and transplanting accessories, so you can confidently rely on this machine for your hard work. Forget everything you know about roadwork gear. The next trencher D250 redefines trenching. This disc trencher, mounted directly onto an excavator, is designed to carve out trenches 80 centimeters deep and between 12 to 25 centimeters wide. With its exceptional efficiency and striking build, it turns heads while getting the job done. With the steer trencher of the new model SGF 800, you can mill cable ducts up to 12 inches wide and 32 inches deep in a short time. The trencher is suitable for cutting trenches of all requirements, such as empty pipes, water pipes, power lines, fiber optic routes, or drainage. With carbide-tipped cutters, the machine mills hard ground up to Class 7. How it works? An eccentric drive cutter wheel is lowered into the ground to the desired depth and slow motion. The cutting heads accelerate the material out of the trench, causing it to land on a side conveyor. It is hydraulically driven, so the belt speed can be continuously adjusted. This allows you to decide how far from the trench the material should be placed. Russell, the largest salt mining company, presented to the world its latest achievement, an experimental salt picker that has no analogs at the global level. Developed in-house, their innovative unit is designed to remove the salt layer gently from Lake Buskunchek, helping to preserve its unique ecosystem and prepare fields for new salt to grow. The new generation loader effectively works at a depth of up to 1.6 feet, removing brine and associated rock. Particularly noteworthy is its appearance. The powerful truck is painted in blue and red colors, reminiscent of Optimus Prime, the famous hero of the Transformers comics, making it not only a technological marvel, but also visually memorable. Moving ultra-heavy equipment weighing about 242 tons over 220 yards in 7 evenings? For Belmar's Yankee Dryer, this was possibly thanks to the company's precisely planned logistics and very advanced transportation technology. This example clearly demonstrates how advanced solutions can simplify complex tasks, reducing costs and delivery times, while ensuring absolute safety for valuable cargo at every step of a very long journey. Dutchman Industries' ongoing commitment to creating quality nursery equipment continues with the tree tire model. The emphasis on creating a quality level meant that a top ring for proper branch direction, a hydraulic gate system, and an inverted steel ring were required. This machine can tie up to 40 trees every hour, significantly reducing labor costs. The unique design allows all trees to be wrapped tightly and evenly, reducing the chance of branch damage during transportation. You see the Jumbo Master mowing and suction combination from Vondale, suitable for slow transport with a capacity of 25 meters cubed to 30 meters cubed or 35 meters cubed. A 216-inch reach mowing arm is mounted in the front. This lever has a double hydraulic safety feature. Jumbo is a self-draining swing-bottom machine. The tailgate is hydraulically operated. The tech is fully equipped with flashers, variable halogen lights, gradient lights, and a camera in the rear of the vehicle. The joystick control is operated directly from the cab. The Jumbo Master also has a very powerful fan to suck up the cut material. It might look unconventional, but the surface bucket ladder dredger means business. Designed to extract sand and gravel from underwater quarries, it digs down to depths of 14 meters with impressive force. Some call its action a glorious mechanical rampage, and given its raw, relentless digging power, they're not wrong. Mobile barriers on Highway 220 work like a traffic conductor, seamlessly shifting lanes to match real-time flow. This robot barrier, hundreds of yards long, glides through the road at 68 miles per hour, opening or closing lanes at the push of a button. By dynamically relocating space, it reduces congestion, cuts accident rates, and adapts the highway to challenging demand with precision. An amazing sight in the port of Rotterdam, the arrival of the largest semi-submersible crane vessel in the world, Sleipner. This engineering marvel impresses with its size and capabilities. Sleipner can lift loads up to 20,000 tons, making it indispensable for the most complex and large-scale projects in the marine industry. Watch as this giant vessel, 721 feet long and 344 feet wide, smoothly enters the port, ready for new feats and records. The Toro Dingo TX1300 Compact Tracked Universal Loader is a new combination of power, reach, and easy operation in the Toro Dingo lineup. If you need to move a lot of material, the Dingo TX1300 will get the job done efficiently. It's ideal for landscaping and tree maintenance work, although its versatility allows you to use it for more. The Dingo TX1300 features the exclusive IntelliScope loader boom with smart load technology, giving the operator an additional 26 inches of reach. The impressive 109-inch articulating pin height allows loads to be lifted up and over the side of a dumpster or truck. The goal of these features is to help users maximize productivity. Meet the new giant on the market, the Shunhung H8280. This machine isn't just strong, it's a true athlete among cranes, equipped with a boom that can take loads where others wouldn't even venture. I can say this with confidence, we have the perfect choice for the most labor-intensive projects. Just look at how it works and you'll see that when it comes to lifting and handling heavy loads, this model does it with ease and style, allowing your project to move forward faster and safer. When it comes to delivering rotor blades to the most inaccessible corners, the FTV 550 takes the lead. This specialized transporter is equipped with systems that allow it to overcome steep inclines, deep depressions, and uneven surfaces, despite the length of the road spanning several dozen feet. Thanks to its thoughtful design and advanced technological innovations, the FTV 550 ensures uninterrupted delivery of components for wind energy, highlighting its indispensability in critical logistics operations. The Rock Hog version of the Model 1150 has been designed for continuous open-pit mining. The drum of this powerful machine is 312 centimeters wide, which is why it is used in excavation projects and open pits. The machine has an operating weight of 50 metric tons, a 440 horsepower engine, a lift cab, hydraulic stabilizers, and Trenchtronic version 5.0 equipment. The truck-mounted concrete pump from Zoomlion is a 160-foot long truck-mounted pump with high-volume concrete pumping capacity. The maximum pumping capacity is 180 meters cubed per hour, which means a highly efficient design that is mounted on a 4-axle truck with enhanced off-road capability and maneuverability. The hydraulic system is fully automated, and high precision at the production stage guarantees stability and reliability of the overall system. And the one-sided opening of the side outriggers allows safe operation in difficult and narrow areas. The Prinoth Panther T16 crawler is, on its own, a very powerful and productive machine. But what could be better when paired with the optional Terex TM125? This productive, high-tech duo is just perfect for all your power generation needs. And believe me, there is no task impossible with such powerful equipment. Do you know what you can say about the SPV2? That it is the professional's choice for any application, providing maximum functionality and superior performance. With a unique choice of 7 different sets of levers, engine power, steering configuration, and a host of optional extras, this machine is a great investment. On your screens, you can see what the machine is capable of. The MC815 stands at the head of the popular Maiden lineup with a whopping 8.09 tons of lifting capacity, making it the most powerful forklift in its class today. With a lift height of 64 feet and a new 10.4-inch multifunction touchscreen monitor and an additional 1-ton capacity, this crane offers unmatched versatility and high lift capacity. The optional 1.5-ton capacity SWL hydraulic 2-section extension increases the maximum lift height to 84 feet. There is an all-new search hook that provides a best-in-class load capacity of up to 1 ton. New to this model are a power lift mode and multiple outrigger mode, joystick radio control, self-leveling function, automatic crane folding by remote control, and an EU stage IIIB compliant engine that makes the machine environmentally friendly. Zero Emission E-Lift is the name of a new model of electric crane that can run on mains power with only 16 amps of current. No more dragging heavy power cables around the construction site. The operator will choose the current he needs to extract from the mains, ranging from 11 to 32 amps. When there are many other power consumers connected to the grid, the operator can select a lower current, while the crane will still be able to operate at 100% capacity thanks to the batteries. To install the crane must first be mounted on short outriggers. For positioning, the mats by remote control. The crane lifts itself, the tower extends, and the boom unfolds by pressing a single button on the remote control. Exactly 11 minutes after the crane has been placed on the outriggers, it is ready for operation. Equipped with ladder mechanisms and buckets with a capacity of up to 70 cubic feet, land-based ladder dredgers can process up to 1,100 pounds of material per hour. With a 300 horsepower engine, they operate at depths of up to 33 feet underwater. These powerful machines transform landscapes, deepening waterways and creating safe routes for ships, working at pressures up to 2,900 psi, 200 bar. Izumo, the largest warship in Japan since World War II, leaves port ready to perform its many tasks. Capable of carrying up to 28 helicopters of all types and accommodating 9 helicopters on the deck simultaneously, the ship has powerful anti-submarine capabilities and early warning systems. In case of need, Izumo can turn into a command and response center for humanitarian disasters, providing quick and highly efficient assistance. The powerful and stable RT-125 heavy-duty trencher from Popular Ditch Witch is a true all-terrain machine that clearly deserves your attention. Its solid undercarriage, superior quad-track system, and 3-speed transmission with shiftable gears allows you to tackle any job site challenge. A comfortable operator's workstation with ergonomic swivel seat and control panel with increased legroom allows for increased productivity. With the RT-125, there's no stopping you. As pipe welding standards and techniques continue to evolve, McElroy introduces the latest machine, reliable and industry-leading equipment. Their Triton 560 combines the features of 3 of McElroy's most innovative machines: reliable portability and Trackstar I-Series technology, Talon 2000 pipe lidding capabilities, and the ability to meet the pipe where it lies found in Acrobat quick-fit carriages. These techniques help with pipe positioning, providing greater flexibility and increased productivity. With the same rugged dual rubber tracks found on McElroy Trackstar machines, the Triton provides all-terrain mobility, allowing for easy movement over various surfaces, and can drive directly to and from the pipe itself. Meet Wilhelm Portsteinson EA11, your new best friend in the world of fishing. This giant, 292 feet long and 54 feet wide, boasts a carrying capacity of over 3,000 tons and 2 powerful RRM Bergen B33 45 L6 engines. In this floating palace, fishing turns into a real adventure with comfort. Wilhelm Portsteinson EA11 is not just a vessel, but the pinnacle of engineering where technology and convenience go hand in hand. Alella's heavy haulage is more than just transportation, it's a spectacle on wheels. A huge multi-wheeled platform departs WorkSo, demonstrating how to move massive loads with ease. With this powerful equipment, anything from transformers to trains reaches its destination smoothly. Meet the Gecko JF235, a crane acrobat that doesn't just work, but performs. With its telescopic boom reaching heights of up to 95 feet and a lifting capacity of up to 51,800 pounds, this crane handles any construction challenge. Narrow spaces? For the JF235, nothing is impossible. Its outreach allows for heavy lifting with surgical precision, whether installing heavy structures or large glass panels. Give it a task, and it will not only complete it, but show how to lift weights with ease and style. Get ready for a spectacle. The transport ship Vecca Blue Marlin enters the port of Rotterdam, demonstrating its incredible power and capabilities. With a length of over 700 feet and the ability to carry loads up to 76,000 tons, this maritime giant easily handles the heaviest and most voluminous tasks. Blue Marlin is a true transport giant, an example of advanced engineering and logistics. And you know what? Every frame of this video is breathtaking and shows how modern technology changes our world. At only 2.4 feet wide and weighing 2.9 tons, It's the perfect machine for working in the tightest and hardest to reach places. Maneuverable and powerful, this spider crane lifts over 2.9 tons with a 28.5-foot telescopic boom to 41 feet of maximum height on the hook. The RPG 2900 is the highest level of performance in its category. With its compact size, track narrowing capability, and lightweight, this model is especially suited for smaller jobs where space is limited. And the main telescopic boom and auxiliary articulated top boom provide maximum maneuverability, even at medium heights. Designed for heavy-duty applications, the rugged 2814W injected scraper can withstand the most extreme conditions over the long life of the machine, and the 2614D modification D-scraper with swivel joint makes it easy to move difficult bulk materials on heavy-duty construction sites. So, this technique allows you to effectively unload the worst soil imaginable. This innovative model is a self-propelled tracked lift truck, model JF545. It seems to be from the realm of fantasy. Despite the power, strength of this crane, high weight compared to other representatives of the Gecko family, the presented mini crane passes to any hard-to-reach places to which large-size equipment cannot get access. The crane stabilization system automatically calculates one of 4 stability levels. Level 1 is the minimum, and Level 4 is the maximum, allowing the operator to control the process comfortably and safely. And what's more, the JF545 is the company's only mini crane with a lifting capacity of 15.5 tons. At the same time, it is distinguished by high maneuverability in small dimensions. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. The world's largest all-terrain AT120 from Ditch Witch was built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. With 120,000 pounds of pulling power and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, this model opens you up to limitless types of work. Its all-terrain technology and 280 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine reduces environmental impact without sacrificing power. It has 50% more internal torque than its predecessor, giving the AT120 extra power to drill even the toughest soils. Presenting a legend of lifting equipment, the 45-year-old side loader from Hamar. This old warrior isn't just an average loader, it's the first of its kind and still in action, lifting 20-foot containers with an ease that even the company's new models might envy. Who said old can't be in service? As you can see, this long liver continues to prove otherwise. Forget about comic book superheroes. Meet the real hero of the construction site, the Optimus vacuum magnet. This gadget doesn't just move materials, it does so with such style that even Magneto would be envious. Using its powerful vacuum magnet, it easily grabs and moves everything from paving stones to large metal sheets. It works faster than you can say, abracadabra, and does so impressively that onlookers might think it's real magic. The Optimus vacuum magnet will lift any load without sweat and tears. The world's largest nuclear icebreaker, with a power of 75,000 horsepower, is a true giant among marine vessels. With a length of about 568 feet and a width of 98 feet, it is equipped with 2 powerful nuclear reactors that provide incredible power and allow breaking ice up to 10 feet thick. This icebreaker is a key tool in the exploration and development of the Arctic, opening up new routes and ensuring safe ship movement. On board are the most modern navigation systems and comfortable conditions for the crew, making it not only powerful, but also convenient for long expeditions. Let's take a look at the SCOF Mech BMF 12T2 Pro 750, a true giant in the world of logging. This machine is like the logging truck of the future, capable of hauling loads of up to 13 tons. Think about it, that's like loading the weight of over 2 large elephants on it. With a length of almost 22 feet, it seems to spread its powerful wings. But the real highlight is the BMF 750 crane, which stretches up to 24.6 feet and can lift a huge weight over a distance as easily as if playing with it. A machine like this is not just transportation, but a true symbol of strength that will change the way you think about working in the woods. The Talon 2000, McElroy's largest machine to date, offers a revolutionary new way to wield large-diameter thermoplastic pipe, for which demand is growing daily. It is a self-propelled vehicle with the unique ability to safely lift pipes from the ground, position them for welding, and move them from joint to joint along the pipeline. This vehicle is equipped with a fast-acting face machine and a motorized indexer to accurately and safely position the heater and face machine in the welding machine. Talon welding operations are controlled through a touchscreen operator station that was designed to mimic the controls of other McElroy hydraulic machines, creating a familiar and easy-to-use interface. The Stark Sweeper is designed for efficient and environmentally friendly cleaning of roads, streets, and yards. The Model T Sweeper is designed for smaller base machines such as property maintenance vehicles. The low design and 27.5-inch wide blades provide a good view of the area being swept. The low design of the Stark Model T Sweeper improves visibility in the sweeping area and increases operational safety. When sweeping, the machine moves on support wheels, which means the blades last a long time. The height of the movable main brush can be adjusted, and the speed of the brushes can be infinitely adjusted. In the world of submarines, the Typhoon-class Akula Shark SSBNs hold a special place. These Soviet-Russian nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines were developed as a response to the U.S. Navy's Ohio-class submarines. With a length of 574 feet and a width of 74 feet, Typhoons are the largest submarines in the world. They can dive to a depth of up to 1,300 feet and reach speeds of up to 27 knots underwater. The submarines are armed with 20 R-39 missiles, each carrying up to 10 nuclear warheads. There are also torpedo tubes and an air defense system on board. The Tiger Cat with the M36 bracket ensures every inch of terrain is covered with precision. The cultivator glides through the forest with ease, felling trees, clearing shrubs, and controlling each step of the process. The result, a perfectly cleared and ready-to-use site. Why not try Plan B? Oversized cargo doesn't have to stick to the road, it can glide over water. A massive floating platform supports the multi-ton shipment, while the tugboats guide it carefully down the river. It's a slow but steady operation where safety takes priority over speed. Let's talk about the new self-propelled telescopic elevator Zoom Lion model, ZT68J. You've got to admit, it looks pretty good, right? Its maximum working height is 221 feet. This model and its technical capabilities surpasses even the performance of the previous record holder, Snorkel 2100. Special mention should be made of the new outrigger extension system. Its leading elements are hydraulic cylinders located inside the boom. When the system is started, 3 attachment points effectively extend and retract the outriggers. The polygonal boom has superseded the traditional rectangular version, which is also a technical innovation. The main boom of the elevator consists of 4 sections and transitions into a long 2-section articulated boom with an operating range of 125 degrees. Navigating narrow streets with a colossal load isn't for the faint-hearted, but the exceptional Tisset Primogas convoy pulls it off effortlessly. The multi-ton cargo moves down the road on its platform as smoothly as if it were on a runway, with a truck equipped to tackle any obstacle. A Chemrock KDS 50 diamond saw bust cuts the left wing of an old, retired Boeing 707 at Hamburg Airport. The outer end of the wing has already been cut off, and the operator cuts through the thin aluminum wing on the inside of the engine. It's no task to test the powerful attachments mounted on the telescopic handler owned by Thalen Industrial Demolition GmbH, TID. The forks of the telescopic forklift were placed under the jet engine to prevent it from falling after separating from the rest of the aircraft. What could I say? The diamond saw did a great job at its primary task. When was the last time construction equipment thrilled you? The Ligscreen Screed Saver Max Plus is guaranteed to change the way you think about concrete paving. This sleek machine doesn't just work, it skillfully creates perfectly flat concrete slabs, turning every project into a masterful job. With laser guidance features and the innovative swing boom pivoting frame, the machine pours concrete with impeccable accuracy and speed. With enhancements including a completely redesigned wireless control system and a quiet Honda gasoline engine, the Screed Saver Max Plus becomes your trusted partner in any construction project. Conver's specialized canal and pond cleaning boat is designed to effectively tackle the issues of overgrowth and vegetation obstructing waterways. With its adaptable cutting system, it carefully trims grass along the water's edge and on slopes where traditional machinery struggles to reach. The robust hydraulic drive ensures a smooth and highly efficient cut. This is what the ideal attachable scrap shears for lightweight mini excavators look like. F200C cutter for excavators in the 15 to 18Q range, depending on the machine capacity. These narrow-shaped hydraulic shears are ideal for cables, ropes, and pipes. They can be used for cutting reinforced cables up to 8 inches in diameter, cutting steel profiles, car bodies, cable ducts, power poles, etc. A 360-degree hydraulic rotation function is also included. You will be impressed by the off-road capability of the scissor elevators of the Pulseo generation. The axle transmission and all-wheel drive give them excellent off-road capability and exceptional off-road performance. The HS15E and HS18E scissor elevators can handle gradients of up to 45% and have high ground clearance. Therefore, they can work on steep slopes and are suitable for all situations. These machines are capable of traveling on any terrain, even on very rough terrain, and they have a high grip on the ground. The oscillating axle adjusts the position of the front wheels to uneven terrain and ensures continuous contact between the wheels and the ground. Airless honeycomb tires are highly durable, have good ground grip, and absorb shock. Zoomline has launched the self-propelled telehandler with a working height of up to 221 feet. According to the manufacturer, this is a world record. The machine also has a maximum horizontal reach of up to 101 feet. This model features an outrigger extension system with hydraulic cylinders. They are located on the inside of the outriggers and have 3 pivot points for retraction and extension. The elevator is capable of traveling independently at a maximum speed of up to 2.8 miles per hour. High ground clearance of up to 1.3 feet allows it to negotiate small obstacles. Looking for a way to make your soil perfect for new plantings? Then Prinoth Deep Rippers and Rotovators are at your service. These powerful machines, like the RF800 and RFL700, turn difficult plots into paradise for new plants. Working with Fendt and John Deere tractors, they swiftly remove roots and wood waste while enriching the soil with organic materials. Why not give your plants the best start by loosening and improving the soil so effectively that even your neighbors will envy? Cleantech Infra provides their customers with mechanized treatment tools for water body remediation. Their technologically advanced harvester boats are designed to remove aquatic weeds from lakes, collecting float debris from rivers, desalinize and remove sediments from drains, channels, and corrective dredging for river flood protection. These heavy-duty workboats are very effective in controlling underwater, overwater, and free-floating vegetation. What do you see on your screens now? The transport crawler units of the model TC50 and TC100, which are the basis of the System Meister. In combination with a detachable crane and telescopic crane units, this innovative equipment can safely and efficiently transport loads under the most difficult operating conditions. This applies to both difficult terrain and challenging weather conditions. Two powerful off-road track transporters can easily transport loads of up to 50 tons from point A to point B. Such equipment can be used multifunctionally in different operating modes. Introducing the SLR 150 from Dango and Dynenthal, one of the most powerful heavy-duty robots in the world. This industrial giant specializes in handling and manipulating super heavy loads. With a maximum lifting capacity of up to 330,000 pounds. With its help, complex tasks in metallurgy and heavy engineering become simpler, thanks to high-precision positioning and a powerful hydraulic system. It doesn't just do the job, it redefines possibilities in heavy-duty robotics. The Holaris FOD turns the task of keeping airports clean into a process of high precision and efficiency. With a sweeping width of 23 feet and with 3 interconnecting units, this machine easily attaches to different tractors, allowing one operator to operate it with surprising ease. Forget about lengthy maintenance. The Holaris FOD minimizes the cost and time required to keep it up and running. Its ability to efficiently clear FODs of various sizes and materials ensures the safety of every takeoff and landing. So with a spacious 400-liter collection box and environmentally friendly operation, the machine becomes the ideal solution for keeping airport areas spotless, eliminating the risk of SPT and ensuring every aircraft flies in peace. The newfangled truck-mounted live bottom trailer that you see is a unit that offers the same versatility, functionality, and safety as the Trout River live bottom trailer. This unit allows you to work in tight, confined spaces without worrying about overhead obstructions. Some key features include a 34-inch wide conveyor system with a versatile all-season belt, forward and reverse control for the conveyor belt, and hydraulic feed and return lines. Other interesting features include the patented TRI chain with 3-inch pitch and removable crossbar, an adjustable chain lubrication system, and a pneumatically operated and electrically operated rear door opens 90 degrees. Introducing the K67H from CFIA, your new high-rise friend in the world of concrete. This concrete pump can deliver your concrete to a height of 220 feet without unnecessary words and complexities. Probably the most reliable guy in any construction crew. Looking for a way to lay concrete on high floors? Forget old methods. The K67H does it in no time, providing up to 210 cubic yards per hour. Your construction neighbors will be green with envy as your project rises faster than their astonishment. The Hosel AgroSystem Mobile Manure Separator offers several advantages for agricultural operations. It reduces storage volume by up to 20%, increasing storage capacity. The machine produces long-lasting fertilizer with a high organic nitrogen content, ideal for use with manure spreaders. In its liquid phase, the manure is especially suitable for meadows due to its high content of readily available nutrients. The separator also ensures precise control when applying manure using ground-level spreading technology.
Sandvik introduces the next generation of Ranger DXi series drilling machines for a wide range of hole sizes from 3 to 5.5 inches. Now you have a new fully optimized drilling system based on the expanded and powerful RT900 family of drills and complemented by all new unique CT55 and CT67 curved-threaded tools. In addition, the user gets unrivaled coverage, advanced automation, and connectivity options. The VTN crushing bucket transforms the excavator into a powerful recycling beast. Its operation is straightforward. The bucket attached to the boom is directed to materials like stones, concrete, or asphalt that need crushing. Inside the bucket, durable jaws and rotating teeth break down the material into the required size. The multi-head breaker isn't just a gravel spreader, it's a frontline fighter against reflective cracking in asphalt. This heavy-duty machine evenly applies gravel into pavement layers, reinforcing roads from the inside out. It's one of the most effective methods for extending the life of hot mix asphalt, especially in areas prone to wear and tear. Are you looking for a telehandler that can handle any task? Bobcat offers a wide range of models, each with unique capabilities for different jobs. For example, the TR50-210 is ideal for lighter tasks, thanks to its convenient swivel stabilizers, lift heights from 59 to 82 feet, and a maximum lift capacity of 5 tons. If you need to tackle larger projects, consider the TR60Y-260, which can handle up to 6 tons. These trucks feature scissor stabilizers and high ground clearance for excellent maneuverability, even on uneven terrain. The Overossen UTV 445 UTV 550 Performance Line snowplow has been designed for high performance and economy. The snowplows are ideal for working on the most difficult mountain passes, clearing snowdrifts and widening roads. Thanks to their 2-stage snow removal system, these machines are capable of clearing any type of snow in all weather conditions. The machine has the main advantages of compact and powerful design, high clearing capacity, good spreading performance, economy, and operational flexibility. The snowplow is designed to be used in combination with front loaders, with a total capacity of 20 to 25 tons. A Bautrans Mercedes Actros Convoy glides along the highway resembling a giant iron caravan hauling a multi-ton load. With hydraulic platforms, an array of wheels, and the team's seamless coordination, this delivery becomes a stunning engineering feat. The JF990 from Jecco combines the flexibility of an articulated crane with the reliability of a crawler. This crane stands out from the competition with an outstanding lifting capacity of 21.5 tons despite its compact size. Reaching a working height of 134.5 feet and an outreach of 124.7 feet, the telescopic jib makes it a powerful helper on any construction site. The versatility of the JF990 is wonderful. It can easily switch between electric motor and diesel engine for optimal performance, both indoors and outdoors. The JF990 is ideal for specific lifts in tight spaces and various demanding tasks. Winter woes vanish with the Schulte snowblowers. Their wide augers and adjustable blades slice through snowdrifts with ease, while hydraulic pivots direct the snow to where it won't cause any issues. Ice and snowbanks vanish in no time. Looking for a semi-trailer that can adapt to any transportation task? Yangzhou Vulcan Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited offers a semi-trailer with retractable sections that can change its dimensions to optimally fit the load. This feature allows you to transport large volumes or irregular loads with ease. In addition, the exceptional maneuverability thanks to the advanced wheel system and the lifting mechanism make loading and unloading much easier. With this semi-trailer, every delivery becomes more efficient and cost-effective, making it an excellent choice for businesses looking to maximize productivity. At the cement plant, the Grove TM 1500 hydraulic truck-mounted crane not only lifts but raises standards. With a maximum lifting capacity of 150 tons and a boom reach of up to 262 feet, this crane effortlessly handles heavy concrete elements, making the seemingly impossible routine. Its powerful hydraulics and reliable construction allow for the swift execution of the most complex tasks in plant conditions, demonstrating exceptional efficiency and precision. Hadrian X's primary function is automated bricklaying with incredible precision and speed. After materials are placed on its platform, Hadrian X reads the blueprints and builds the wall using a 3D printing approach. Equipped with laser sensors and controlled by software, it ensures each brick is positioned with accuracy, even accounting for minor terrain variations. Transporting such colossal machines is not just a task, but an art form. It begins with a careful lift using specialized equipment, followed by precise placement onto the platform. From there, robust tractors, reinforced axles, and unwavering determination take the lead. Millimeter-perfect turns, smooth descents, and the enormous load advances steadily, a marvel of skill and engineering. When two mighty Class B trucks, each hauling 40,000 pounds, line up at the starting line in Saint-Joseph-de-Beauce, Quebec, it's not just a race of speed, but of strength. These beasts are about to prove who dominates the track. This blade transportation system is a cutting-edge solution designed to securely transport all types of blades. Built on a 2-axle Jeep car paired with a 4-axle trailer, it offers top-tier stability and maneuverability for seamless blade transport. Car transportation in a covered car carrier is an incredibly reliable method of transportation that stands out from other options. This kind of car shipping eliminates the risk of mechanical damage to the paintwork and windows, as well as the development of corrosion, which is not always possible to avoid in the process of transportation by sea or other alternative methods. So if you want to protect your vehicle, now you know exactly where to turn. The Hamar Sideloader A Advanced chassis is a unique and incredibly versatile chassis from Hamar. Made from 3 telescopic chassis parts and sliding cranes, it can change the position of the cart and optimize the weight distribution of the load. This means it can be optimized for both 2- and 3-axle trucks, as well as for different size containers. Owning a set of jacks gives you many advantages. One of the most important is that you can better plan your work, since you no longer rely on outside contractors. High crane rental rates are no longer an issue. Use the jacks to lift containers up to 70,500 pounds wherever and whenever you want. This product is designed and tested for heavy loads. It easily lifts both empty containers and heavy containers filled to the top. Container jacks are ready to ship worldwide. The Twinka ES 500 Slim from Twinka has a payload capacity of 0.5 tons and is ideal for limited space. This mini dump truck is designed for gardens, gardening, as well as for demolition and outdoor work, etc. The high lift feature increases efficiency and is particularly characterized by the ability to unload stacked or over high edges, such as a container. At 32.11 feet, the ES 500 Slim has a very comfortable loading height. A fully charged battery keeps the machine running for a full day's work, and charging takes 4 to 5 hours. The machine's automatic steering mechanism reduces the need for physical labor to a minimum, even when the mini dump truck is heavily loaded. The steering mechanism can be moved and adjusted according to the operator's height. This helps ensure an optimal ergonomic working position for the operator and reduces physical strain. Scania's battery electric truck offers continuous operation completely free of toxic emissions, which could very soon become mandatory for certain areas and sectors. Our world is striving for a green future, and this is becoming a common requirement for new contracts. The electric powertrain provides considerable power and constant torque. With a range of 250 kilometers from a single charge, short and medium routes can be completed exclusively on electric power. Such a cool Scania electric vehicle will have a set of 5 or 9 batteries, powering an electric motor with 310 horsepower. The SE200G can be optimally used on trucks with a minimum gross vehicle weight of 10 tons. Due to the ease of use of the equipment, it is suitable for vehicle recovery and transportation. The special design of the unit consists of a tilting and removable platform with the possibility of 190 degrees rotation, allowing the recovery of vehicles in situations with limited maneuvering space, as well as facilitating lifting over fences, ditches, and falls. A hydraulic winch, if required in the mobile version with hydraulic control, facilitates the loading of particularly damaged vehicles. The massive modular platform from Shirley may glide smoothly across the asphalt, but its true brilliance lies in its engineering. Each wheel has independent steering, allowing the platform to turn within impossibly tight radii, something no conventional hauler can do. This powerhouse is built to carry the heaviest loads imaginable, from turbines and reactors to entire ships. Get ready to meet advanced underground work technologies with the Sandvik DL422IE. This tunnel and ore mining drill rig represents the latest achievement in underground drilling. With a maximum drilling depth of up to 72 feet and a feed force of up to 52,000 pounds, it demonstrates outstanding performance and precision in the most challenging conditions. Canadian company Movex Innovation Incorporated has developed GreenGo transportation equipment that is used in the construction, mining, petrochemical, landscaping, and industrial industries, among others. Their lifting track system is a versatile, durable, and reliable piece of equipment. Such ladder transportation equipment has made Movex famous around the world, and for good reason. After all, it is capable of climbing stairs with an angle of inclination of up to 40 degrees and carrying up to half a ton of additional load. What's more, with a turning radius of 5.8 feet, it requires little space to move. The tracks can handle any surface. They cling to snow, mud, sand, or gravel. The Turf Harvestry 405S works like a colossal earth grinder, producing a seamless peat carpet as it moves. Acting as a massive extruder, its front drum slices through moss and topsoil, sending the material through a crushing mechanism before a belt neatly lays out a strip of ready-to-use peat. Even on marshy bogs, it delivers up to 10 tons per hour with impressive efficiency. When it comes to transplanting huge trees, the KLR 1800 from Damcom steps in as a true MVP. Now, watch closely on the screen as this wonder machine carefully yet confidently moves green giants with robot balls from 59 to 118 inches. Tired of root balls in the nursery? The KLR 1800 will do this job without breaking a sweat. Oh, and don't worry about the details. This machine does everything for you. Just watch the magic unfold. Meet the new trencher, a true trenching champion. It not only knows how to dig, but does it with incredible accuracy and speed, thanks to its compatibility with tractors with power from 60 to 100 HP. This machine turns excavation work into a production holiday. Passes through medium to hard soils, reaching depths of up to 5 feet, which is as impressive as a magician at a talent show. You need an assistant who can cope with any task and never tire of boasting about the results? This trencher is undoubtedly what you need. Make your cleaning chores a breeze with the Trilo TL23. These vacuum containers are designed to quickly and efficiently remove leaves, debris, and even small branches from your property. Simply mount the TL23 on your tractor and enjoy how it handles any task with ease. Cleanup has never been easier or more enjoyable, believe me. How could you pass up on the chance to make cleaning so easy? The basic idea behind the multi-lift interchangeable hook loaders is that one truck can perform different actions with different objects and containers. Multi-lift offers maximum productivity in a small size. The hook lift height gives you a wide range of transport possibilities, and its solid load capacity ensures easy and comfortable work. In addition to the basic capabilities of interchangeable hook loaders, the multi-lift excels at transporting and tilting loads. Smooth steering and smooth movement guarantee you significant savings when handling loads. You are looking at a multi-one screening bucket for topsoil, waste, turf, roots, and compost with a large screening area that delivers fantastic performance. Screening buckets are used for the initial screening, sorting, and separation of natural materials both before and after the crushing stage. This sieving bucket is a multifunctional tool ideal for separating materials such as topsoil, demolition and construction waste, lawn, roots, and compost. Meet the X-Power XPA, a new generation electric machine designed specifically for keeping different roadside areas in order. The machine easily tackles nuisance weeds even in the hardest to reach places, making it easy to keep slopes in perfect condition. With a side-mounted lawn mowing attachment, the X-Power XPA offers a solution that combines efficiency and environmental friendliness, simplifying roadside maintenance without unnecessary effort. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket converts the hydraulic energy of mobile equipment or vehicles into a vacuum to dispose of debris and into an airstream for cleaning. It is used for cleanup at construction and demolition sites, as well as other maintenance tasks. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket not only produces a powerful negative pressure of -8 kilopascal, but also has other excellent features. For example, it has a powerful maximum airflow of 3.4 meters cubed per second. There are auxiliary suction ports and a vacuum hose for on-foot operation. There is also an adjustable suction airlock for precise vacuum cleaning. Friends, meet the Pius Hulk, revolutionary sewer cleaning equipment mounted on MAN TGM 15.250 4x2 Euro 6 chassis. It provides utilities with a powerful tool that can tackle any kind of sewer contamination. Thanks to its innovative design and the use of advanced technology, Pius Hulk sets new standards in cleaning, providing not only the highest performance, but also maximum reliability in operation. This equipment is designed for those who do not recognize compromises in quality and efficiency. A dismantled wind power station begins its journey as massive blades and tower sections are transported across the roads by powerful Bel Air International vehicles. This is more than just a transportation, it's a forward-looking voyage toward renewable energy. Looking for a versatile solution that combines the elevator and the mobility of a trailer? Equipter introduces the revolutionary Model 7000. This engineering marvel is easily transportable to any job site, and with its help, you can lift a container of materials up to 25 feet and 5 inches, or use the optional forks to lift up to 23 feet and 5 inches. Controlled remotely, the Equipter 7000 is equipped with various steering modes to ensure precise positioning. Rest assured, the versatile elevator trailer will be your indispensable assistant on any construction site, providing exceptional functionality and flexibility. The metallic incline tool functions like a sharp blade, effortlessly trimming dry branches. Perfect for vegetation management and vineyard upkeep, this highly mobile unit boasts precise maneuvers and seamless control. Its clean, accurate cuts make it ideal for work in confined spaces. A mobile brick-making machine that produces building materials directly on site. Raw materials are loaded into a drum where they are mixed and compressed. The blocks are then neatly arranged on the surface. All that's needed to operate it is a power source. The new E7000 SP self-propelled harvester utilizes the latest technology, including the EcoClean system, to maximize control, efficiency, and dust reduction. This harvester can be configured to harvest almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. There is definitely more chain cleaning space than any other harvester. There is a variable speed cleaning fan, and settings are controlled with a joystick. The independent floating pickup head follows the ground contour. And what's more, you get full cab comfort with maximum visibility. Watch this video where Leiso is responsible for the transportation of the new overground metro cars in Lisbon. As one of the key players in the European special transportation market, Leiso Transports SA is always looking for reliable and technologically advanced trailers to develop its business. To meet the challenges of transporting rail vehicles, Leiso uses 2 multi-max semi-trailers with rails built into the load platform and 6 steerable crank axles, reducing the loading height to just 29 inches. Both machines are equipped with a powerful hydraulic winch and special ramp arms for a smooth loading and unloading process. Meet the TZX225 from Palazzani Industry. It's not just a lift, it's your faithful companion in the world of high-altitude work. With its help, you can reach the sky, or rather up to 225 feet, with amazing ease and stability. Want to replace the lights on a stadium or decorate the tallest Christmas trees with garlands? The TZX225 is ready for any challenges. It's incredibly maneuverable and can work even in tight conditions thanks to its compact size and advanced control system. With it, every high-altitude task becomes simpler and safer. Imagine a giant funnel like something out of science fiction, but it's real. The Glory Hole at Lake Berryessa. This incredible spillway looks like a giant water drain, swallowing water from the lake when the water level is too high. The Glory Hole has a diameter of about 72 feet, and when water starts to flow, the sight is truly breathtaking. Designed to prevent flooding, this engineering marvel can discharge up to 48,000 cubic feet of water per second. Velarde in UOS 155 version with demining device is a hydraulically operated vehicle designed for engineering and decontamination works. Neutralization of anti-personnel and anti-tank mines by percussion chain system to a depth of up to 7.9 inches. This model is designed as a self-propelled vehicle on the chassis of the T55A tank, and the crew consists of 2 persons, an engineer and a driver. The speed of this vehicle in the field is 6.2 miles per hour, and on the highway is 18.6 miles per hour. Imagine your next road paving job starting out perfectly smooth, thanks to the wheeled excavator with RF Systems' unique X-Plane dozer blade. Equipped with a laser-guided dozer blade and leveling beam, this miracle machine ensures a completely smooth surface preparation. The X-Plane dozer blade makes the difficulty easy, ensuring that your pavement starts with a perfectly prepared subgrade. Did you know that when fire, metal, and a press meet in the same place, they can create art? Look at this. A 3,000-ton hot-forming press transforms preheated red-hot material into a stunning disc-shaped tank head. The process is a real spectacle. A wheel loader feeds a perfectly round and flat piece of metal under the press, where the magic of transformation awaits. Under enormous pressure and tongues of flame, the material takes the shape of a bowl. This process is not only impressive in its power, but also demonstrates how pure raw materials become useful products. Transporting an enormous load? No problem. Navigating under a bridge? Even easier. With a trailer axle line from Transportes Blumenau, it resembles a finely tuned performance. Perfect coordination, seamless movements, and pinpoint accuracy ensure the load clears the bridge flawlessly while staying intact. For them, the word impossible simply doesn't exist. This is what the Flygo weed brush looks like in action. The hydraulically driven weed brush will remove almost all types of weeds on your property easily, without the use of chemicals and in an environmentally friendly way. The unit can be adjusted in both directions from 30 to 90 degrees. The unit comes standard with a dirt trap, so foreign objects now cannot be irrevocably removed from the path of the machinery. The weed brush requires a capacity of about 25 liters and one double-acting connection. Etnir's extendable Black Hawk trailers transform the concept of efficiency in transportation. Thanks to a unique hydraulic system, they extend up to 26 feet, doubling their length without requiring extra effort. Capable of supporting 35 to 65 tons, they are ideal for transporting heavy equipment. Their low-profile design ensures stability and safety, making these modern trailers indispensable for various applications. DJ Products Cart Caddy HD electric platform cart safely moves heavy equipment weighing up to 50,000 pounds, making it easier than ever to move wheeled equipment. The Cart Caddy's 5,000-pound electric or hydraulic lift system transfers the weight of the load to the drive wheels for the best traction. The Cart Caddy HD motorized chain-driven traction unit has an optional drive feature that allows the operator to stand on the platform to control the unit. Another option is that the unit can be pulled in the traditional way by standing in front of the unit and steering it forward or backward. The Hamar self-loading cable drum trailer, also known as the Hamar drum loader, is a specialized side loader for lifting and transporting large cable drums or reels, power cable wound on large steel drums. This technique is an incredibly versatile and cost-effective solution that eliminates the emerging need for other lifting equipment as well as other specialized trailers. You see the Ligsheen Screed Saver Max Plus in action, demonstrated by the Ligsheen Tag Team. Watch as this miracle machine transforms complex construction tasks into simple processes with perfect results. With advanced laser-level technology and unprecedented precision, the Screed Saver Max Plus paves concrete so that every square yard becomes a model of perfect pavement. Forget about difficulties and mistakes. Now, with Ligsheen, everything in your hands becomes easier and more efficient. Recently, a specialized vessel that regulates flows at the receiving end of oil and gas pipelines was successfully transported 50 miles inland from Ohio. A unique technology was used to transport this 450,000-pound behemoth, a 12-axle Goldhofer two-lane train from Buckingham Heavy Transport. This solution allowed the weight to be evenly distributed and ensured that all necessary permits were obtained, which was key to safe and efficient transportation. The VMM 310 from SNP Private Limited brings the world into the era of brick automation, becoming the first fully automatic system of its kind. This machine is a true speed champion, producing 12,000 bricks every hour, thanks to its unique ability to move on wheels. It provides a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution, reducing the need for workers and water usage to a minimum. The bricks created by the VMM 310 are not only 3 times stronger than traditional bricks, but also cost 45% less. The machine can work with various raw materials, including clay and fly ash, producing different types of brick and giving owners the freedom to produce anywhere and anytime, opening up new horizons in brickmaking. In today's world, road maintenance has become an incredibly dangerous endeavor. That's why Pioneer Industrial Systems developed the Robotic Maintenance Vehicle, or RMV, to help save lives by taking road workers to safety. The RMV combines advanced vision and artificial intelligence training with a Fennec robot that uses line tracking to detect, map, filter, and fill cracks while driving on the highway. And all this when there is only one operator on the road and no other workers exposed to dangerous traffic. The PA 19001 bridge inspection device embodies Palfinger's many years of experience in the manufacture of hydraulic loading cranes and lifting platforms. The wide working range above road, railroad level enables work on high cable supports and special bridge structures. The third jib system can be dismantled, allowing it to be used for various crane operations. The multifunctional device is ideal for municipal authorities and various institutions that are constantly faced with a wide range of tasks. A scene that demands attention. A truck carrying firewood overturned at the A15 exit in Rotterdam Heiplan, causing traffic to grind to a halt. Enter the star of the moment, a massive crane. Sturdy cables are fastened to the truck bed, followed by millimeter-perfect movements. The world seems to hold its breath as the crane pulls, lifts, and success! The truck is upright again, like a dramatic sequence from a slow-motion action movie. A 43-meter-long petrochemical column smoothly travels down the road, escorted by a Capel convoy. The multi-wheeled platform absorbs vibrations while the driver skillfully steers this mechanical giant, ensuring the cargo remains perfectly balanced. Long reach, low weight, short support spacing, and ease of operation. The S47 SX3 from Schwing offers everything from maximum efficiency and safety in concrete paving. The 5-part mast, the intuitive roller folding, and the exceptionally large and fully usable opening angles of the mast elements give the machine a high level of mobility in a wide range of applications. Thanks to the low curb weight, just over 31 tons, and the COC documentation supplied from the factory, this machine can be quickly and legally registered in all European countries. Cut through large amounts of vegetation with a robust, open-fronted knife. If you urgently need to remove all kinds of plants and other pests, this slasher from Hymac is just right for you. The open front slasher features a high-quality reinforced slasher deck and integrated push bar, and is equipped with a heavy-duty 4-blade holder. The combination of the 4-blade configuration and serrated edges ensures that large amounts of vegetation are captured and plant pests are effectively killed. On the tight streets of Burghausen, a spectacle sight out of a sci-fi film comes to life. A massive platform with a multi-wheeled chassis transports something that looks like a lunar rocket. This colossal machine turns heads, leaving drivers in awe as engineers expertly clear the way for its journey. Imagine a tool that doesn't just help, but entirely changes the landscape of your property. The SCL RCU 55 cutter from FAE is a powerful stump grinder that can penetrate up to 18 inches deep. With its help, you can quickly and easily get rid of large roots and stumps without disturbing the rest of your property. Thanks to its advanced hydraulic system with side oscillation, this tiller handles large areas. The perfect tool for those who value time and quality of work. Felbermayr once again confirmed its status as a leader in engineering solutions by successfully transporting a 240-foot-long, 530-ton bridge. This ambitious project was carried out using innovative technology. The bridge was lifted 13 feet using a hydraulic jack and a robust stacking system for subsequent loading onto a specialized self-propelled vehicle. Felbermayr's achievements on this project underscore their ability to meet the toughest challenges in the transportation and installation of large structures, demonstrating exceptional craftsmanship and an innovative approach to every detail of the process. Have you heard anything about the new HT912 from Red-Roo? This fully hydraulic, self-propelled, compact trencher is the perfect companion for your irrigation, sprinkler, and electrical system installations. As for the internal equipment, the heart of the unit is the 9-horse Honda OHV engine. A revolutionary new swivel system protects the pivot hub from dirt, and an operator presence monitoring system immediately stops the wheels and chain. Furthermore, importantly, this lightweight model is also available with a 12-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch boom. Infrared road surface repair uses targeted heat to bring damaged asphalt back to life. A truck-mounted IR panel warms the area to 150 to 170 degrees Celsius in just 5 to 10 minutes. Once softened, the old asphalt is loosened, fresh bitumen and mix are added, and the surface is compacted using a vibratory plate. With just 3 crew members, a damaged section can be fully restored in 15 to 20 minutes. Quick, efficient, and cost-effective. At the Welzo Airfield during the Fire Mobile 2023 exhibition, Magirus presented a real firefighting masterpiece, the TLF Air Corps. This giant is not just a machine, but a true water dragon. With an extended range booster, it transports over 10,000 liters of water, which a powerful fan turns into firefighting mist. And the self-protection system? If a fire thinks about attacking the machine, the TLF Air Corps responds with a water barrier. So fire, you'd better stay away. The Gibby 1890 Primo Series is an all-Mac, all-electric crawler telescopic boom powered by fully detachable battery packs. With a total weight of 13,000 pounds, it is the lightest multi-inch self-leveling boom capable of working on heavy, sloping, and slippery terrain. The length and width of the tracks provide excellent traction, as well as significant ground clearance and low ground pressure. Decent track width allows the machine to move comfortably in narrow working spaces. The Gibby 1250 Evo model is the same crawler telescopic hoist that works on the same principle. The only difference is that its performance is slightly lower than that of the 1890 Primo model. Pocket Bucket is a remote-controlled tracked mini-loader equipped with a bucket for working in hazardous areas, in mining sites for example. The bucket's lightweight and retractable design allows the machine to be easily transported in a van or on a trailer. The Pocket Bucket embodies a specialized machine with a running gear that is made of high-strength materials with an anti-corrosion coating. The Smart Battery System, SBS, is an integrated sealed compartment that houses the charger for the remote control. The spare battery is charged automatically while the machine is running. Simple and intuitive operation with a single joystick ensures that you always have one hand free to control other machine movements. Meet the Mix & Go series of concrete mixer attachments for mini skid steer loaders. Use these powerful machines to pick up material, mix it on site or on the move, and then spread it in one of 3 convenient ways. These attachments will save you time when pouring small to medium volumes and make you think twice about bringing a truck to the job site. The mixer bucket boasts unrivaled strength and performance, easily mixing and pouring large volumes of concrete quickly, efficiently, and accurately. Watching large tracked machinery being loaded onto a trailer is a remarkable sight. The strength and accuracy of the maneuver are truly impressive. The GBKF model is designed for emergency rescue operations and towing of various modern armored vehicles and other military vehicles. In addition, the vehicle is capable of providing temporary shelter for infantry. The GBKF, equipped with a 68.5-foot telescopic boom, has a payload capacity of 20 tons. The entire infrastructure is mounted on a 4-axle rough-terrain crane chassis. The machine has 4-wheel drive and is powered by a Liebherr D 946 Ti diesel engine. The crane unit is equipped with 2 winches, and the pulling force is 16 tons. It can be operated both from the operator's cabin and remotely. What could go wrong when hauling massive carbon dioxide containers? Apparently, a lot. One tipped over and crashed into a ditch with a deafening roar, a moment that would send chills down anyone's spine. Onlookers quickly made it an internet sensation, capturing every second on video.
Also wir haben ein bisschen weiter weg mal.
Road safety is the one task that requires precision and attention to all details. Xcone transforms this challenge by providing a fully automated system for controlling traffic cones. With a user-friendly 7-inch touchscreen, drivers can easily set the desired cone spacing starting at 32.8 feet, allowing them to tailor the markings to any roadwork condition. The Xcone has the unique ability to adapt to the needs of any situation, deploying and collecting cones on both sides of traffic flow. This not only contributes to the safety of personnel, but also significantly increases the productivity of the workflow, making each action more focused and efficient. Nemo is a fully hydrostatic beach cleaner operating on board, extremely maneuverable and practical to use even in very confined spaces. It is controlled by 2 joysticks that allow you to adjust speed, direction, and working depth. The machine is equipped with a fixed blade that collects sand and debris at the required depth and width of 100 centimeters. They are fed to a vertically moving sieve, which allows the waste to be left in the collection container and the clean sand to be dumped out. Prime Robotics offers industry-leading pallet automation solutions that are the best choice for warehouse, factory, and e-commerce operations. These dynamic pallet grippers significantly reduce the need for manual labor and greatly increase the efficiency of workflows. With high load capacity and the ability to handle multiple pallets simultaneously at a single station, Prime Robotics provides an intelligent, scalable, flexible, and highly efficient approach to pallet management operations. With this approach, businesses can optimize processes and improve their bottom line, while increasing the safety and accuracy of warehouse operations. Let's discuss the CH Series grader attachment. And it should be noted, it's the perfect solution for gravel road maintenance. The grader cuts and fills potholes, eliminates material from entering the machine itself, and leaves material directly outside, maneuvering easily in tight places and corners. This machine spreads and finishes soft and loose materials with ease, typically completing the job in just 1 or 2 passes. This perfectly tuned duo, the GST tractor and its specialized trailer, lays gravel with the finesse of rolling out a carpet. The precision unloading system meters out material evenly, while angled sidewalls guide the flow for flawless coverage. In just a few passes, rough, rutted tracks are transformed into smooth, solid roads. Designed for maximum productivity, the Optimus machine takes the heavy lifting out of hardscaping. It can transport pallets weighing up to 1,600 kilograms and install individual concrete or stone units up to 140 kilograms. Its secret? A built-in vacuum hose lifting system and whisper-quiet battery-powered drive that keeps it running for up to 7 hours without a recharge. Friends, you see a Palfinger van forklift, your new best partner in delivery. This versatile forklift can be ready for action in just 30 seconds, ideal for dynamic logistics operations. Its excellence lies in its ability to adapt to any terrain conditions, ensuring that every delivery is made without compromising on accuracy and speed. Integrated into the design, a compact storage box under the loading dock allows for optimal use of space, while quick deployment ensures maximum productivity every working day. Meet the super powerful and productive hydraulically powered concrete mixer. It's a low-cost attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The SD series is naturally built on a new platform that delivers the well-known multi-one strengths, versatility, and productivity. A wide range of original equipment attachments make these new multi-one mini loaders indispensable machines for applications such as agriculture, where many types of tools are required. The Optimus H99 is the most efficient paving machine in the world and is the 10th developed by the manufacturer and inventor of this equipment. With an even more powerful hydraulic pump combined with engine speed limiting, the machine runs even quieter and faster, yet very economically. Under optimum conditions, this paver achieves a capacity of more than 1,000 square meters of paving slabs per shift. Definitely an impressive performance. Even the iconic Hageland's 206 can fall victim to nature's challenges. During a towing operation, its tracks sink deep into a muddy quagmire. The effort to escape feels like a clash of titans against the swamp. Lurching forward, spinning tracks, another push, yet the resilient track design ultimately conquers the mire. The Hysoon HY380 mini loader is a versatile, reliable, yet affordable machine. The unloading height allows you to work with small and medium tonnage trucks, and all-wheel drive allows you to move in any conditions. It is equipped with various attachments, which allows you to solve almost any tasks related to construction, private farming, agricultural activities, etc. The mini loader is equipped with high-quality components, which makes it unpretentious and stable in operation. With HY380, you can not only accomplish your tasks, but also enjoy the pleasure of working with an efficient, powerful, and comfortable machine. On the N760 highway near Grafhorst, a truck hauling corn spilled its load, creating a golden corn shower across both lanes. The cause? A soft roadbed that gave way beneath the tires. Stowdam rescuers take charge, attaching cables while the crane powers up. Slowly and with precision, the cab is lifted back into place. A delicate operation under immense weight. Here is a new mini excavator APS KME08 with an engine power of 6 kilowatts. The operating weight of this technological monster is almost a ton. The main advantage of the technique is the presence of the third hydraulic outlet, ready and armed connection for hammer or drill, as well as an additional lever to control the third hydraulic system. The excavator with hydraulic oil cooler allows continuous work without interruption up to several hours. Thanks to its small size, this mini machine is perfectly suited for working in confined spaces, and transportation is much easier. Are you ready to soar to the heights of construction with innovative Manitex Vala cranes? These powerful mobile cranes, with lifting capacities from 2 to 40 tons, are available in electric, diesel, and hybrid drive, so you can always find the perfect option for any task. Whether you choose a wheeled model for easy maneuverability or a crawler version for stability on rough terrain, every Manitex Vala crane is ready to transform your workflow. With a fixed or swinging boom and many specialized settings, these cranes are designed to meet the unique and challenging requirements. Robo is dedicated to creating autonomous driving solutions that will transform the way the construction industry operates. By modernizing existing heavy equipment such as bulldozers, excavators, and wheel loaders with the latest artificial intelligence systems, Robo's technology allows construction machines to operate completely autonomously to increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve safety. Just look at how their lead machine works. It can provide autonomous bulldozing, precise leveling, material spreading, land clearing, and many other operations. The system is quite compatible with existing 2D and 3D grade control products. You see, not just a machine, but your key to the world underground. Just look at the Vermeer Trencher, the perfect tool for those who are ready to change the landscape with intelligence and efficiency. Whether you're laying utility lines, installing pipes, or creating drainage systems, this mighty trencher digs its way through the toughest soils. By the way, All of this company's trencher models are unique, each with control features ready to make your work more productive. Forget brooms and shovels. The Planier Balkan with Engcon swivel system cleans construction sites with surgical precision. Its floating blade gathers sawdust, stones, and debris into a clean, even edge, leaving the surface ruler straight. Thanks to its ability to work at any angle, it ensures flawless results every time. In 2005, Accelerate Energy made a real breakthrough by introducing LNG marine terminals and FSRUs to the world with their gateway technology. Today, this technology underpins Bangladesh's first LNG import terminal, Mohashkhali Floating LNG. Thanks to its safety and reliability, proven in the most extreme conditions, Gateway has become the industrial standard. Like a superhero among energy technologies, it ensures uninterrupted and safe LNG support. Bangladesh is preparing for a new phase in its energy history, all thanks to Accelerate Energy's innovations. Brock robots are designed and optimized for demolition. But did you know that a Brock robot is also an effective solution for pile foundation underpinning? Brock's compact and flexible demolition robots can easily access confined spaces without sacrificing power. They can carry various attachments, and they emit no exhaust emissions. And in general, the new Brock 200 demolition robot breaks new ground, packing the power of the Model 280 into a compact 2.1-ton package. It comes with a new signature Brock Smart Design TM and Smart Remote TM capabilities. The Spark 3 Troll, based on the HMM-WV, is designed to clear the paths of military convoys of explosive hazards. It consists of 3 roller sections, 4 in the outermost section and 6 in the center section. They provide contact with the surface, causing explosive objects to detonate as a result of the troll's actions. The hydraulic suspension allows travel speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, but the adaptive device, through the use of hydraulic and air suspension, ensures continuous surface contact. The rollers are made of an explosion-proof polyurethane compound, which increases the troll's survivability. Experience and tests prove that the troll can withstand an explosion of 26 pounds of TNT equivalent explosives. Hello, construction enthusiasts! Want to learn how to make your work even more efficient? Then check out the V50 Trencher from Vernig Manufacturing, the new mini-loader trencher. It can easily dig trenches up to 5 feet deep, all thanks to its powerful 27.5 horsepower engine. Imagine no shovels and no extra effort, just power and precision. Did you hear that the V50 can cut through dense soil like it's soft sand? That's because it's designed to make your work easier and faster. You see the Volvo EW 160B with Tiltotrator and Engcon sweeper. This detachable Engcon sweeper makes your excavator even more versatile. You can rest assured. It can be converted with a single handle. It can also be adapted and used as a wide sweeping bucket in combination with a planing bucket. You can also adapt the sweeper as a narrow cable brush. The sweeper is very versatile. Its width can be adjusted to suit the job at hand, from cable sweeping to sweeping large areas. This reduces the need for manual labor and makes the workplace safer. Cleaning public and company areas is a demanding and challenging task, which can be perfectly handled by an efficient and professional machine, such as the Grunig Sweeping Fox. The Grunig Sweeping Fox is a very productive machine with a quiet 3-cylinder diesel engine. Thanks to its special characteristics, this machine can handle both fine dust and large, coarse dirt clumps equally well. Moreover, the sweeper of this version is also great at handling wet debris. So if you want to do your cleaning job quickly, efficiently, and effectively, Sweeping Fox will suit you just fine. Take a look at the revolutionary brick-making machine from SNPC Machines India, a fully automated marvel that can produce up to 6,000 bricks per hour. This device not only simplifies the process, requiring only 3 to 4 workers to operate, but is also the world's first mobile machine that can lay bricks while moving. Cool, isn't it? Using raw materials such as clay, mud, or a mixture of both with fly ash, this machine is ideal for Idabata, brick factories, and kilns where high productivity of red bricks is required. The XL BladeMate is a safe and efficient solution for transporting wind turbine blades of any size or brand. See how it extends over 184 feet in height. All telescoping trailer beams, as well as the retractable bumper, utilize proven XL retractable technology for easy retraction. Perkins STC moves a steam generator over the mountains to its final destination over 1,500 miles away. An incredibly difficult job that someone still needs to do. That's exactly the purpose of this special trailer, which is a heavy-duty, 2-lane, 24-line, 400-ton capacity vehicle used to haul oversized loads over long distances. How it all looks like, you can observe it yourself. Slat Tracks is a ground protection system for your mini loader that rolls out to raise a temporary road up to 100 feet in about 2 minutes. The system includes a hydraulically powered attachment that holds 2 tracks reels that are 36 inches wide and 42 inches wide each and up to 100 feet long. Breakpoint sections in the tracks allows for manual maneuvering. Slat Tracks will increase the productivity of work crews and provide a professional alternative to plywood and mats. The system can be used on hills, curves, turf, and paved surfaces. An optional trailer accommodates the entire system with 2 100-foot coils. The EcoVolve ED1000 dump buggy is the most versatile and popular of this company's line of dump trucks. The fully battery-powered unit is particularly effective in the following applications: removing concrete debris and material excavated by electric excavators, hammers, and electric mini-loaders. It can work on larger industrial and commercial buildings where large quantities of materials need to be moved. The dump truck can also work in highly sensitive areas, both indoors and outdoors, where no exhaust fumes are allowed and noise levels must be kept to a minimum. Forget about hammers and the good old manual labor. The Vermeer PD10R is a pile driver that does all the heavy lifting for you. This monster, with hundreds of horsepower, drives piles with such precision that even the most demanding engineers applaud. With it, building fences, foundations, or power lines becomes a breeze. Intrigued? Think of the Vermeer PD10R as your personal robot that never gets tired, never complains, and always does an excellent job. Based on the special needs of people involved in beekeeping, the Hungarian company Gevex introduced its new hive crane called MMD 120 a few years ago. This productive machine has a special sail system, thanks to which it can be mounted directly on a vehicle. Such a machine quite satisfies the need of operators that the horizontal movement of the crane boom system, crane leveling, can be realized automatically in a short time instead of relatively slow mechanical adjustment. The Gripen 040 is a custom-built, special-purpose machine designed for urban construction and confined spaces. Operated remotely, it allows the driver to control both the movement and crane functions from a safe distance, avoiding hazardous zones. With high torque, a reinforced chassis, and specialized suspension, it delivers reliability and power exactly where it's needed most. Olmec has launched the Bibby series 1090 BL Evo, a mobile crawler scissor elevator. It is battery operated and comes with a 180 AH48 lead power pack. The technique is capable of working on any type of terrain, and the new self-leveling system allows it to remain stable even in the presence of slopes. In this series, any stabilizers are absent. The operator can move the machine, staying in the basket without closing the scissors and the arrow. Thanks to its compact dimensions and tracked undercarriage, it is possible to work in any conditions, even on rough terrain or enclosed areas inside buildings. The Tuas desalination plant in Singapore, the third of its kind, increases the country's capacity to process seawater from 100 to 130 million gallons per day. Now, desalination plants can cover up to 30% of Singapore's current water demand. This video explains the process of turning seawater into clear drinking water. The Tuas plant uses advanced technology for filtering and purifying seawater, making it safe and high-quality drinking water. Over the past decade, automation has become a crucial factor in smart agriculture. Using advanced technologies such as smart sensing, machine learning, and robotics, agricultural processes can be optimized in a multitude of innovative ways. With a true mission to make farming easier and increase productivity, TerraClear has developed a comprehensive automation system that focuses specifically on automating stone removal. Using a computer vision system to map the terrain and determine the size and location of stone stuck in the soil, the hard work is done by automated equipment, saving farmers a lot of time and money. Anyway, you can see for yourself how cool it works. Python Pothole Patchers is a completely new approach to pothole repair and road maintenance. It allows you to fix potholes while they are still small and extend the life of your roads. The Python 5000 Plus performs long-lasting repairs using standard asphalt mixes, both hot and cold, and also has the unique ability to perform continuous repair of long cracks and joints in the road. One person, the operator, can keep the roads in a small village or municipality in good condition all year round. When machinery gets bogged down, the rescue mission kicks off. A partner machine arrives to pull the stuck equipment from the mud, demonstrating the power of its drivetrain and hydraulic system. It's a heart-pounding spectacle, keeping you on the edge of your seat with each moment. Following a train collision, large machinery is taking apart the wrecked cars. A remarkable, yet hazardous sight. It's best to maintain a safe distance from such intense operations. When this tracked machine takes control, the forest transforms into a cleared field. It fells trees, clears brush, and uses its attachments to smooth out the land to perfection. Bucketmouth has been involved in land management, farmland preparation, and major landscaping operations around the world for over 10 years. Their TSG 1000 series mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that utilize such systems. As you have already realized, this tractor is used specifically for mulching. At the front of the cab is the roller, and it moves on a trackpad base. There are spiral-shaped spikes on the shaft. It works at high speed. From the surface, it can shred stumps up to 2 feet in diameter and up to 3.2 feet high. The shaft can also go into the ground up to a distance of 1 foot deep. Incidentally, the shaft is 8.2 feet wide. The unit runs on diesel fuel with a capacity of 270 liters. Also, the miller has been tested on 30,000 acres at a speed of 1.25 miles per hour. Here, we see a courageous K701 tractor pulling its partner free from the muddy traps. Let's hope the rescue is successful and the other vehicle can return to work. FMG's tractor-trailed grader, perfect for gravel road maintenance. The 4 blades easily loosen and level the hardened surface, while the wheel block applies the surface and consolidates the results. The joystick makes controlling the grader really simple and easy, which positively affects the overall result of work. By the way, the weight of the largest such machine is 6,000 kilograms, which makes it a powerful tool. Building Robotics has developed its autonomous track loader, ATL, which the company believes will definitely become part of many other autonomous construction vehicles. Using a combination of LiDAR technology, similar to that found in unmanned vehicles, and advanced GPS technology that allows for centimeter-accurate positioning, the ATL is capable of performing simple but difficult tasks. For example, digging a hole once, you just need to tell it where and how big that hole should be. The wheeled platform stands ready. The crane extends its boom and lifts the towering spruce into the air. But the strain proves too much. The hook stretches, tension builds, and suddenly the crane tips forward, collapsing under its own effort. The tree makes it onto the trailer, but the crane lies toppled, like a fallen giant, triumphant in task, defeated in stance.
In a world where every piece of land holds undiscovered treasures, the eccentric XR-22 comes into play as a master destroyer, overturning conventional notions of power and efficiency. Born from the bowels of innovation, this hydraulic ripper carries the banner of revolution, offering a new approach to working the ground. Thanks to its patented impact technology through energy storage, it turns the roughest rocks into dust, opening the way for quarries, tunnels, and new construction. Recovering a vehicle that slipped onto the shoulder is no simple feat. However, with the right assistance and strong equipment, it's clearly possible. Getting so close to the edge was a fatal error. The result was inevitable. The giant machine fell into the water like a rock dropping off a cliff. One can only imagine the driver's thoughts in that moment. The sudden, unpredictable collapse of a crane is an immense hazard. Crushed machinery, people nearby. It's chilling to think what could have happened if anyone had been injured. The Komatsu bulldozer takes on eucalyptus and shrubs with unstoppable force. Like a relentless termite, it crushes everything in its path. This machine doesn't pause. It's all about sheer power and flawless execution. This crane collapse in Port Alberni was executed with control. Thankfully, everything remained stable, and significant damage was averted. What was he thinking? Driving without ensuring the vehicle was ready? The result? A full-blown disaster, leaving not only repairs to handle, but also the question of how long it'll take to deal with the consequences. The Ranch Works tandem drum aerator is designed from the ground up for pasture aeration and land management. Using Ranch Tech blades, thick-walled steel construction, and a triangular tongue, its capabilities range from maximum subsoil braking power to brush clearing and land management. With different roller offsets, the tandem can go from no-till to tillage as needed. Even at the best of times, concrete can be tricky to work with, and not having the right tools for the job can result in a poor quality concrete mix and even a messy cleanup that could very well set you back for hours. Loading, mixing, and delivering concrete around the job site is made easy with this skid-steer concrete paver from the renowned Hi-Mac Attachments. With a hydraulic opening at the bottom of the attachment, as well as a removable discharge tube, you have maximum control over every pour. This curbside concrete mixer attachment comes in various sizes to fit your line of work. The largest model is capable of mixing and transporting up to 600 liters of concrete in a single load. The CAT 963 turns forest clearing into a powerful display. With its 211 horsepower engine and mighty bucket, it doesn't just dig, but pulls trees out by the roots like large weeds. Its tracks move with assurance across any terrain, leaving a clean open space ready for new development.
Two tanks are bogged down in the mud and tensions are mounting. That's when the 3A1, a full armored recovery vehicle, comes to the rescue. Armed with powerful winches and reinforced armor, it effortlessly retrieves the stuck vehicles. The process is methodical: attach, pull them free, inspect, and return to action. If cars had an Olympics, the Converse C10s would definitely take gold in the three-wheeled race. This three-wheeled self-propelled machine is a true athlete among landscape maintenance devices. It goes through narrow passageways and climbs steep slopes like a parkourist. No wonder it can do aerobatics where others only dream of a chance to pass. Ideal for working in hard-to-reach places, whether it's maintaining parks or cleaning water bodies. Using a Caterpillar bulldozer to dredge construction sand is no small task, but you can't deny it's both fascinating and impressive to watch. Bobcat Sand Cleaner, on the loader of the same name, is an attachment that helps the operator quickly and easily clear the working surface of debris and small objects. Its installation is carried out with the patented system, BobTac, which provides a safe and secure attachment of the device on the base machine. Thanks to this technique, the operator quickly and efficiently sifts sand and cleans it from various small debris, bottle caps, glass shards, woods, as well as cans, stones, plastic bags, syringes, algae, and other debris. The working width of the attachment is 1900 millimeters. The depth is up to 200 millimeters, and the bucket capacity is 350 liters. The cleaning area is up to 15,000 meters squared per hour. High productivity is complemented by the possibility of unloading from a height by lifting levers on the loader, which allows easy dumping of garbage into a dump truck. SlatTrac's temporary roads require fewer crew members and less effort than comparable plastic ground protection mats or plywood sheets. SlatTrac's temporary roads can be used on grass, turf, sand, and hard landscaping. For any surface you can use ground protection mats or plywood, or the new alternative, SlatTrac's. Among the major pluses is the real possibility of deploying or reclaiming 100 feet of roadway in minutes. Plus, with a machine like this, the number of crew members per job can be significantly reduced. Featuring a fully adjustable hydraulic rear wing and bed, this heavy-duty machine delivers the proven performance inherent in all Collier and Miller machines. The C&M channeler attachment is available to customers with a standard 9.8-foot bed configuration, or with the ability to be built to specific size requirements upon request. Who says heavy machinery can't impress? Behold a true acrobat on wheels. A driver effortlessly balances a multi-ton machine on its front wheels, leaving the audience in awe. And that striking color, the perfect look for the star of the show. The hydraulic excavator operator began with assurance, but the situation proved far more complicated than anticipated. Now, to say the least, the machinery is in a bad condition. Luckily, a sturdy crane is supporting this enormous vehicle during the bridge demolition. Without it, everything would have come crashing down, leaving no escape route. Built on the legendary Unimog 406 and paired with a Schaeff mini excavator, this machine gently digs around an old tree's root system. Its compact size, exceptional off-road capability, and powerful hydraulics make it possible to extract the tree whole and undamaged, as delicately as lifting it with tweezers. tractor cranes are expertly dismantling a huge metal structure. It's a striking and captivating process in itself. Fecon's new FTX 200 mulching tractor packs serious muscle. At 200 horsepower and loaded with the Fecon power management system, it delivers peak performance in the harshest environments. It's engineered for land clearing at scale, strong, reliable, and ready for any challenge. A regrettable mishap during hay collection. Unfortunately, the trailer tipped over, spilling everything across the ground. If there's one job on the farm that everyone struggles to do, it's certainly not picking up stones. It's a messy, labor-intensive task that never seems to end. And no matter how attentive the operator of a trailed or walking picker is, there will always be stones left in the field. The Quicker Picker is the first rotary rock picker to attach to the front of mini loaders with at least 60 horsepower. The 400 and 800 models are available. The 400 model, which can hold up to 900 pounds of rocks, has a drum length of 36 inches and a diameter of 30 inches. Not surprisingly, the 800 model offers increased both size and load capacity, holding up to 2,000 pounds and offering a drum length of 48 inches and a diameter of 36 inches. This is teamwork at its finest. Two-tracked behemoths tackle the soil, with one pulling and the other plowing to a depth of 60 centimeters. Together, they transform hard-packed earth into a soft, aerated surface. Their combined efficiency is unmatched, proving no ground can resist their power. Imagine the power of a crawler tractor pulling a knife roller, turning agricultural fields into perfectly prepared plots for the next sowing. This duo, the tractor and roller, moves synchronously across the field, processing the soil and shredding plant residues. The massive blades of the roller easily handle any obstacles, turning them into fine mulch ready for further processing. With such an assistant, your work in the field becomes not only productive, but also spectacular. The Ural timber truck is more than a vehicle, it's a relentless warrior. As its wheels sink deep into the mud, the powerful engine and differential locks spring into action. Initially, the tires spin futilely, but then comes a sudden jolt. The Ural powers through, flinging mud in all directions as it conquers the challenge. The forklift operator fell asleep and wrecked a huge warehouse. It seems like he'll be dealing with the consequences of this mistake for quite some time. Introducing the New Holland D170 track tractor, the ideal machine for land clearing. It efficiently eradicates excess vegetation, shrubs, and small trees as it advances. Every movement showcases its confidence, leaving a smooth and level surface behind. Look at the bucket. It's so large that a person next to it looks like a miniature figure. Such a bucket can easily handle the most voluminous and heavy materials, reducing the time and effort required for work. The Komatsu PC is trapped in a quarry. Without a stronger rescuer, there's no way it can be freed. The De Bruin Chopper Roller is a simple, heavy-duty machine designed as a single roller or as a tandem with a width of 9.8 feet. In fact, this is the machine we are seeing on our screens right now. This machine has been involved in farmland preparation and land management for many years, as well as some of the largest landscaping jobs around the world. The mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that use such machines. And you can see for yourself how the De Bruin chopper roller works. The Shockwave jet truck is a master of heating up the track. With an incredible 36,000 horsepower generated by 3 J34 WE48 jet engines, it can propel this powerhouse to 375 miles per hour. Fiery blasts and thunderous roars leave spectators in awe, while a plume of smoke trails behind for hundreds of feet. The Straumann-Leiber convoy turns the task of transporting an excavator into an extraordinary display. The colossal machine rests on a platform as the truck deftly navigates sharp turns, as if dancing with the steel giant. Leveling the sandy zone on beaches is not an easy job. It is for this purpose that special technological machines have been created. How do they work? You have the opportunity to see a part of this process with your own eyes. Well, and modern technology can offer something a little more. What am I telling you? See for yourself. Even with 2 people behind the forklift, they couldn't stop the disaster. All their efforts to help, in vain. Sometimes even the most capable can't carry the weight. It seems the Cam AZ decided to show off some acrobatic moves, but was it really worth it? That's the big question. A trio of Belarusian tractors embarks on a journey to new territories, all loaded on a single truck. This convoy of dependable machines looks like a squadron of agricultural warriors, poised to dominate fields and farmlands. The Dala Terrain Transport tracked amphibian showcases its versatility. It first glides over water like a boat before smoothly transitioning onto land. As water flows off its sides, the tracks dig into the ground with confidence. Adapting to different environments is just another aspect of its job. With RTK GPS guiding the way, the tractor effortlessly cuts a trench across the turf as straight as a ruler. The operator just watches. Autopilot holds the line with 1-inch precision, low gear ensures steady traction, and the milling module carves through layer by layer. One smooth pass, no corrections, no steering fuss. A squad of 4 Cat machines works like a pack of synchronized hunters. With precision and teamwork, they clear away debris, preparing the land for its next purpose. Watching their coordinated movements is like witnessing a masterclass in land preparation. A Caterpillar D8 bulldozer finds itself stuck in thick mud, but the Cat D9 steps in like a true hero, effortlessly pulling its metal companion free as if it were stuck in nothing more than a shallow puddle. Who says trucks can't take flight? When hoisted by a helicopter, they might even leave birds scratching their heads. Don't believe it? Watch as a concrete mixer soars through the sky. Transporting cargo to the Nezdaniskoy deposit is not for the faint of heart. The machines withstand extreme conditions and, in my opinion, they truly deserve admiration. Intense! The fall of a Cam AZ truck bed feels straight out of an action movie, but with real risks and no stunt doubles. Moments like this make you question just how much can go wrong. The Komatsu D50A fearlessly navigates through thick underbrush. No bushes or small trees can withstand its powerful charge. Like a formidable force, it knocks down obstacles effortlessly, paving the way for new developments. It's efficient and relentless in its task. You see the combination of the Gessner cutter bar and drum seater, which provides dozer operations with a complete plowing and seating system. The cutter bar and drum seater, available individually or as a complete system, are designed and built for superior strength, quality, and maximum durability. A thick-walled right-side support frame has been incorporated into the machine, and several seat distribution compartments have been added. There are quick-release mounts for welding to the ripper panel, and there is a junction box with circuit breaker for the motor and cable set. Something major occurred at the port, a collapse so severe that it caused everyone to scatter in order to avoid the repercussions. The road appeared calm until furniture suddenly flew out of the vehicle ahead. Hopefully the driver following was paying attention and managed to dodge it. Picture a massive truck towing another truck along a muddy rural road. There are no complaints, only careful calculations of power and traction. This exemplifies the art of transportation at its best, and witnessing such a powerful duo in action is truly satisfying. Kuwaima AG has created a high-performance turner composter windrow turning machine that has many features and advantages that set it apart from the competition. The technique has a sturdy box construction that is designed to handle tough materials and has been tested in the harshest conditions. The turner composter is typically used for manure and larger compost materials. The technique has a higher ground clearance, making it more suitable for larger piles. The hydraulically driven turner wheel provides more speed and traction. The drum has a 3-inch diameter through shaft for greater rigidity and performance. This drum is designed to throw material back with less power. The turner composter can be towed on the road, and its drawbar easily swivels for transportation. When the excavator's tracks sink into the mud, it's metal versus nature. The massive cat machine slips and claws through the muck, while the operator skillfully works the hydraulics, using the bucket to haul the beast free, a reminder that even the swamp can be outmatched. This is a real catastrophe. Not only was the job left unfinished, but the neighbor's house also suffered significant damage. Who could have foreseen such an outcome? When a 20-ton cat bulldozer bites into the soft ground at the water's edge, it looks like it's challenging nature head-on. Powered by a 200-horsepower diesel engine, its hydraulic blade cuts through submerged soil like a titanium scope. Even as it tilts on its nearly 11-foot tracks, the machine calmly regains balance, unfazed, unstoppable.